50 right now, not doing so great. GME's down about 20 cents right now. SPY's moving down a little bit as well. Hold on. What are we at now on the SPY? Down 0.72. How are we doing, everybody? We feeling all right? Let's go, apes. Here we go. Let's see. Are we doing all right, people? Here we go. Here we go. All right. Let's have some fun, huh? Let's have some fun today. Yeah, for everybody new filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out with the algorithm a whole lot. Let's see here. All right. You guys crushed it in the morning. That was ridiculous. Good job. Let's end this week on a Friday with decent numbers. Mike, I'm hoping, man. I'm hoping. All right, here we go. So Amy right now, 1751. Let's do a little bit of a quick Ortex check right here. Amy, what do we got? So we got 500,000 shares borrowed, 2.17 million returned. 20.08% estimated short interest on this bad boy right here. Let's check GME really quickly. All right. So GME right here, 213,000 borrowed shares. We got 311,000 returned, 19.19% estimated short interest. That's nasty. Days to cover is really spiking. So even if the shorts wanted to get out right now, it's going to take them forever to do it with the volume that we've seen on GME recently. Current estimated short interest, 12 million shares. I mean, probably a lot more than that. Amy coming back down a little bit here to the 50. How are we doing, people? Welcome back, VIX. Thank you, sir. Let's go. Let's see. If the squeeze is inevitable, could a whale with billions of dollars buy AMC to squeeze to the shorts colors? Yeah, I mean, they could, but I don't know what they're gonna do. I don't know. They could, yes. Are they going to? I don't know. Dude, you're having lunch. The whole market is tanking. Hey, lunchtime's over. We're back. Don't worry. We're back. Market's not really tanking anymore. I read we are in a super bubble that's going to pop soon. Everybody's calling for a bubble all the time. Everybody's saying market crash all the time. I mean, you should have them more like the market's so inflated. The problem is with the amount of money that's been pumped into it. You have to account for that. Like, yeah, it's going to inflate asset prices, but is it really all that different within like that extended with the amount of like inflationary pressure we've put on everything? I don't know. That's what we're going to see when rate hikes come and we start sucking money out of the system to really see where value really is in a lot of these things. So when's class today? In like 5 minutes, I think. I don't know. Did I see the GameStop movie trailer? I did. What's the meaning of max pain? It's the price where the most amount of options, contracts, calls, and puts expire worthless. So it benefits option sellers, so market makers and institutions, and hurts, like punches in the face, retail investors. That's what it does. NASDAQ already over a 10% correction. Yeah. Let's see. Ryan says, guys, if you super chat STB to buy shares, the stock goes up. People did that to TMI. He bought 7 shares and Amy went up. That's funny. You guys don't have to do that, though, if you don't want to. Let's see. Fed reverse repo use hits year-to-date high at I don't think that's the high, 1.7 trillion. Didn't we hit 1.9 trillion at one point? I thought we saw one at like 1.9 trillion. Like, that was a big one. That was big. All right, SPY moving down a little bit here. Biggie just kind of hanging out in its range, not doing a whole lot. Let's see. Where's Hood? Down, girl. Down. Down, Hood. Not really. All right, so Amy kind of hanging out right here at the 50. 1745. Let's see what happens towards the end of the day. Power hour can get wild. Now, typically, we do see the moves start in the overall market right around 2. That's when we've seen the big moves start to happen. Is the float increasing for AMC? No. $1.9 was New Year's Eve. Yeah, so I don't know why they're saying the high. Will you match my shares? Trey's mustache. I don't have go to like how much I think you have. That would be crazy. Yucca, I've got no idea. I have no idea what he's saying. Can I explain why utilization is so low? Yes, utilization is low because of institutions purchasing a lot of shares, but not actually loaning them out because the cost to borrow doesn't make any sense. They're saying, yes, we will loan them out, but they aren't right now. So there's less scarcity in the securities lending market because nobody really wants to short this thing right now, like take out new short positions. We're seeing some shares come back. The new shorts are trying to mess with it and start to get it down through a variety of avenues. But that's why the utilization is low on this thing. Let's see. Spy predictions? Oh, no, honestly, I don't know. Let me see if I can get into this class right here quick. All right. Open. Hood tank F go up. All right. Here we go, people. Here we go. All right. Amy coming down and touching the 50 right here. Not much profit on 1% cost of borrow. Exactly. Doesn't make sense for them to be loaning them out right now. 2K shares, average 40. Hodl is the case here. There you go, my man. All right. So, down girl. Go Hood. Tank. I mean, Hood's not going to go down significantly to where I need it to go unless the market just goes bloop dead. So let's see what happens. 21 end of the day, we got this, guys. Okay, cool. You can get it to 21. Awesome. If it does happen, great. But there's not enough gamma there to really start something crazy. I've shown you guys a couple of reasons as to why that is. I don't want anybody's hopes to get up that we cross that level and it's done deal. We would need to see a lot more out of the stock, in my opinion. Would it be awesome to close there? Yeah, absolutely. From 17, that would be dirty. Floop. You think BYG will recover next week? I think they need that Cryptide news to come out. I think that's what we need out of them. IWM about to drop, says Avocado. What's SPY doing? SPY is tanking right now. Tanking. Let's see. Oh, Amy coming up a little bit here. Yucca. Whoa. Thank you so much for that generous super. I really appreciate that. 21 for today. Yucca. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. What was for lunch, bud? I had Moe's today. Sushi Bowl yesterday, honestly, puts. It wasn't that good. Overrated, honestly. I used to love those. I think I'm more a fan of the legit sushi now. All right. SPY moving down over here. Watch it. Whoever's calling me needs to stop calling me. Let's see. Yucca, thank you, man. I appreciate that. All right. So SPY popping up a little bit here. Come on. It's probably a scam call. Getting a scam call. I get a lot of scam calls. Amy, pop. Here we go. I mean, we saw a little bit of action, higher volume around lunchtime. That was pretty sweet. Right as I was coming off the stream, that would have been pretty cool. Pop on Prog. Oh, is Prog going? Hold on now. Is Prog getting a little action here? Hold on. Ooh, that's wrong. All right, Prog is popping, but hold on. I put it in the wrong spot because I'm silly sometimes, and I'm an idiot. Amy popping a little bit here. Where's Prog? Prog. Yeah, it's getting a little bit of action here. Watch it above 132. So watch it around there. If we can break that, it could get a little bit spicy. Here we go. 200 more AMC today. 1037 total. Nice. Your mom was calling. She said, go to class. Now, put should be the new slang for something being trash. It is. The problem is you got to know your audience. So if you just somebody says something stupid and then you're just like puts, they're going to be like, what? Like, that's just how, you have to know the room and be like, oh, these people are going to understand. Professors in the stream calling VIX. I hope not. Wouldn't it be better to end at max pain than have the put pressure? Technically, yes, but still it would make the market makers the most money. The put pressure is here's the put pressure is already done. It's already there. It would be unwinding the put pressure. That would be good. But other than that, it would be the unhedging of the puts. The put pressure is already there. They've already most likely hedged some of them because we're outside of the range that, in my mind, they would start hedging stuff. Do you think that the hedge funds are going to get a margin call soon? I think they already have. They already have. Margin calls have been going out left and right this week. If you're levered up on thinking the market's going to go up, which not a lot of them are, if you've seen the short interest on IWM and stuff, it's been kind of gnarly. So the problem with my class here's the thing. Technically, it's a discussion. It's technically in the same room. So I'm hoping it's the same Zoom call. If it's not, I looked for it. That's not my fault. You didn't provide me with a link. Oh. Okay, the class just started. All right, I am on mute. Here we go. All right. So, nice. 50 minutes of class and then laser focus. SPY, and not looking good. Not looking good. SPY wants to come down a little bit here. It's getting a little spicy to the downside. Returned 1.3 million on Prog. Interesting. All right. Please push Prog to 455 so I can get my 20K back and put it into AMC today. Ho. Was it 455? Trey's mustache, that's aggressive from where we are right now. Prog, I mean, the short thesis on it, the short squeeze thesis on it right now, the data doesn't look all that great. But if they announce something good, it could easily go. That's the thing. Vix, what did it do? What's up, man? Do you think margin calls are being hidden like FTDs? No, you can't avoid a margin call. You can tell them to like fuck off and not pay it. That's what Bill Huang did. And then Credit Suisse took giant losses because they were like, oh, okay, Bill. They're like, yeah, Bill. All right, cool. We know you'll pay us. And then he just didn't. And that was the end of the day. All right. Amy popping down to the 50 right now. SPY making its way downtown here. Making my way downtown. Good down, girl. Oh, there it is. Crack that down below 13. Here we go. Let's see. They got back from lunch and now want to piss in the wind. I guess so, man. All right. You watch your mouth, young man. You literally like that's what Bill Huang did. He was like, nah, give me more. And they're like, okay, here you go. And they were like, all right, Bill, your positions are going against you. And then he's like, oh, yeah? Well, give me some more. And then they just kept letting him do it. And then they were like, all right, Bill, stop. And he was like, what are you going to do? And they were like, sell everything. And he was like, oh. And then he got screwed. That's what happened with Archegos. 130? What's 130? Oh, like number 130? Thank you. I appreciate that. Most of them are just shills and get their orders from market makers. That's funny. All right. I mean, you can pick a bad trade. It doesn't mean that a market maker told you to do it, though. I had some leaps on Prague for a little bit, but I got out of those a while ago. Those are like little YOLO on those, but like I don't think I ever had Prague shares. I was just like, it could go, it could not. I'll throw a little bit at some Julys, and then it just didn't go. Could it go before then? Yeah. Could I made a bad decision by selling those? Possibly. But with where it is right now, it's like, it doesn't look all that good. So, lol. SPY puts printing. We going down. Kyle. There you go, buddy. Like, says CMAC. Thank you. This class is honestly, like, I hate to say this, but I'm being distracted in my ears right now. Hope for a run this afternoon. I'm hoping too. I'm hoping. All right. Come on, Amy. Come on. 60 more cents. GME, down 60 cents. Our GME and AMZ are both down 60 cents right now. That's kind of funny. All right. How much pre-workout do you take before you stream? My man, you are energizing. I had an energy drink this morning, but I just had lunch. So I like don't eat in the morning, which is I just don't have enough time. And then I have an energy drink, and then I eat, and then I get energized again, and I'm good to go. But then I have some lulls. When I was sick, it was tough because I would just pound energy drinks, feel good for a little bit, and then be dead in the afternoon stream. I think I just spilled on myself. A lot of nonsense going on over here, huh? Okay, nope. Was GME volume trading like this throughout the year before they squeezed? I don't know. Pixie, be careful with any of these crazy plays. Ready for Miami? Flores. I am very ready for Miami. Very, very, very ready. All right. So SPY trying to curl back up a little bit here. Hood still right around 13. We got a half hour. Energy drink of choice, Rain. Rain's the one that doesn't make me crash because it's got electrolytes in it. So the thing about SPY and what we've seen is that the big moves start right around 2. Even though power hour is at 3 and we typically see like moves around then, we've seen them recently start around 2. So let's see if the market's going to do something wild towards the end of the day. NASDAQ CEO suggests to halt trading and allow big investors to recalibrate their position to combat Reddit users. What? Hold on. My name isn't Justin Frozen Peas and Meat Juice. DM that to me, please. What the hell? Hold on. You mother. No. Somebody send me that. NASDAQ? What is it? NASDAQ CEO suggests. Hold on. That was January 27th, 2021, bud. That was 2021. That's old, my man. Saw it on Twitter. Old news. That's a year old. Yeah, wasn't that last year? I'm seeing it January 27th, 2021, 2021, 2021. Yep, they're all old. I was going to say, that's nonsense. Yeah, that's old news. Can we rip 50% now? That would be sweet. Never forget. All right. Old but still hilarious. Hey, don't get me hyped up for a rant. Mhm. All right. List Me Realty Group. Thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. It doesn't look like the options are going to affect the stock to the upside, correct? How long will it take to recover back to 30s without options? Um, my bad. All good. My name isn't Justin Frozen Bees and Demetrius. So the options right now would like they would have needed to we would have needed to be at like a much higher price. We would have already needed to see the run. It typically with the gamma and these types of things that when they happen, we've seen them like start to go 2 weeks before. That's and then we were getting there. I was like, there's still time. There's sort of still time. The last week's option chain looked good. And then after that, it was like, we need to go. And then I saw everybody saying, oh, at the end of the day, Friday. And I was like, shoot, nope, you can't do it. It's too late. Well, you never know. If people are actually going to do this, which I'm not for this coordinated buying stuff. I mean, you could get some options in the money if people are doing it. Especially if some other people are like, oh, these people are going to pump it all by calls, screw the market maker, they're going to buy. And I don't know. It could get a little wonky, but AMC's doing these weird up and down things. How long will it take to recover back to the 30s without options? You're going to have options. You're always going to have a high amount of open interest every single week. So Prague exploded after BYG dumped last time. Can we see round two? It's possible. Isn't it funny how afraid of retail everyone is? It's hilarious. It's like, oh, really? That's so crazy to even suggest that. Yeah, the NASDAQ stuff, it's wild. Like, that is crazy behavior. I know some people over at the NASDAQ. I'll tell them to stop screwing around. Okay, people, drop some likes. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. You bought March 18th, 400 SPY puts. How much were those? $100? Amy breaks and shorts pull her down. Remember seeing a lot of this before June? Yeah. It's been a lot of that. The thing is, like, you can't when they say that they're returning all these shares, it's crazy. Like, look, well, how are they returning all these shares with no reflection in the price action? IWM short interest? Good question. All right. Oh, Jesus. 43.5%. That's drunk. That's drunk. What are my options if I caught my girlfriend with my brother? Puts. Probably puts. Any future options dates look spicy for MC? Let's take a look. Nothing will be crazy right now. We'll start to see him pop up though. Feb, probably nothing. A little bit. You got to get going though. March would be the big one. No. They will come though. That's like the thing is that they will come. They don't have to populate like this right now. But after this date, people are either going to be pissed about options and not buy them and go right at the money, which is the smarter decision and just in general to go closer to the money. Or they're just going to do what they always do and pile in. 1765, new more recent high over here on Amy, trying to break out of these little tops over here. Double hoodie and ankles will help AMZ get to 21. There we go. We have 2 hours to 21. Yeah, I don't know about that. Frank, what's up, man? How you doing? I'm like this 250-day meetup volatility ain't coming. Huh? Oh, where? This little cross? List Me Realty Group. Thank you so much for the super. Okay, then what's your honest opinion on how long will it take to recover back to 30s? Can't they just hold it down forever? No, if they could hold it down forever, we never would have broken above 5, 10, 15, 20. I don't know. I have no idea. The thing is, like I can theorize about it and be like, okay, this is what I think they're doing and how they were gonna unwind stuff. But like, I don't know. The most bullish theory that I have right now, like extremely bullish, is think about what happened last time. We like the big boom in GameStop back in January. That wasn't on a giant gamma like options date. Like, yeah, the options came after that and the option chain freaked out, but that was after the move started and then it started to run up and people started FOMOing into the option chain. So they might have been trying to hold it down a little bit more this week to avoid the option chain. Now, if those are short-term, like manipulative shorts to keep the price down, and they actually don't want to short it at these prices, well, then what they might do is over the next couple of weeks, start to put that buying volume back into the stock. by covering some of those short-term shorts that they needed. Same thing with the market maker if we can get some puts out of the money. So then that would mean that the next 2-3 weeks would be unwinding a lot of these nasty short positions that they've taken in, sending us back up. Who knows what's going to happen with that? That is like the most bullish thing like that I'm thinking is possible right here. On like a theory though. This isn't guaranteed anything. That's just me like, all right, what are they doing and stuff like that. 1348 on Amy. Oh, did it. Did it. Uh-oh. Not yet. Not yet. It's curling though. It's curling. What up, Vic? Still in AMC and still buying. There you go. Those shark fins last few days were small scale test on covering. Maybe IWM retest confirmation break into the descending triangle. Same thing with not same thing with SPY. Amy popping a little here. Come on now. Getting a little spicy, huh? Lou's saying we might see some big boom booms and power hour. Maybe. If people are gonna start like manipulating stuff and like colluding, maybe. I don't know. I'm not I can't. No. It's just really risky. $17 AMC call. You can do it. What time is it? Jorge, it's 1:36. We're not gonna play this game. Yeah. Also, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for crushing it this morning. You guys were awesome. Don't worry, 1348, nothing gonna happen. Don't get hyped, be let down. Nah, 1348 is pretty legit. 13 crossed over the 48 on the last candle on AMC. What time frame? I'm on the 5-minute right now, and it did not. I'm looking at the 13 crossed over the 24, but it has not crossed the 48. Are you using EMAs or are you using moving averages? Let's see. What day is it? It's Friday, baby. Let's go. Hood down, girl. How old do you have to be to legally drink alcohol? 21. Al from Boston said $1 million a share. I don't want to make a joke. I don't want to make a joke. I'm not going to make a joke. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. Not going to do it. Nope. Too soon. I'm in front of 950 people. I'm not just at my computer. No jokes. Nope. Sorry. It's not funny. It's not actually funny. This joke is not funny. Sorry. Oh, Amy popping up here. Hoo. She's peeking her head out. Here we go. 1348 cross on the 5-minute. No, it didn't. I'm looking at it right now on the 5-minute, right now on AMC. The 13 is still below. Are you using EMAs? You got to use EMAs. Do it? No. I was going to say he said a lot of things. And like, okay, done. Nope. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Oh, Amy getting a candle here. Hold on now. Get up there. EMA crossed. What are you looking at? This is literally my chart right here. AMC. Look, the blue line is the 13. The green line is the 48. It has not crossed on the 5-minute. I can click it again. 5-minute. It has not crossed yet. Are you guys messing with me again? Is that what we're doing over here? Are you guys messing with me? All right. Come on, Amy. You are on MA? No, I'm on EMA. It says EMA right here. You are on MA. No, I'm not. Let's see. 8:34 on the 5-minute. Amy's reacting to the 2-minute. I want to mess your hair up. That's what they all say, bro. That's what they all say, STV's chair. 8:34 across. On my chart, it crossed? The hell is wrong with my chart? I have the 13 EMA and the 48 EMA right here. What? Let's go. GameStop. GameStop popping up a little bit here. GameStop just went green. Amy's looking like she wants to try to go green. Here we go. Can we get 18 for today? Why are we stepping it down now? She's reacting to the 5-minute. It definitely crossed on Webull. I'm on TradingView. This is weird. It's looking like it wants to cross. I'll tell you when it crosses. Somebody send me a picture of their 13 and 48. Maybe they're messing with us. Let's see. Money me. Oh, look at these candles coming out, peeking their head up. Oh, Amy, you shouldn't have. Here we go. Send you a DM showing my 1348 crossed. Not a hedge fund. Thank you, buddy. Look at these candles coming through. I'm a fan. 5 minute. What is your 13's yellow and your 48 is green? That is so weird. Do I have a screwed up chart? Your chart shows moving average, not EMA? No, it doesn't. It says EMA right here. It's exponential moving average. I have it. Look, ready? EMA 13, 48, 24. This is weird. This is weird. The new movie coming out? Oh, yeah. The new movie's going to be good. The 28th, Games Power Rise of the Players. That's going to be sweet. I want to go see that. I'll go see that by myself. Mod chat? All right, cool. What the hell? This is so weird. It crossed? What? All right. What? This is so weird. It hasn't crossed if you don't extend. Oh, that's why. Extended hours. That's what it is. All right. I got to put extended hours back on. The reason why I took extended hours off is because it was pissing me off. Yeah, it crossed. Thanks, Mike V. Okay, it crossed. You're being hacked. No, it's because I don't have after hours on. That's why. All right, back to normal here. We're at 1784, where GME is pumping 103.94. Oh, baby. Uh-oh. Look at this. Look at this little move here. Amy's getting spicy. Come on. Who's buying again? You guys are funny. I like you guys. Why use extended hours? It just shows more of a move. Last green was nice. Yeah. Do you think SCB goes out? His ankles are commando or he's wearing socks? I just took my socks off on stream. You just didn't see it. They were annoying me. No socks right now. Naked ankles. All right, here we go. I'm back. What's up? What up, Seymour Butt? Please use your inside voices. We have people here actually making good predictions that you disagree with, like me. Double the money. You're a funny guy. I like you. Like sent, Seymour Butts. Appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, for everybody, if you guys don't mind, hit that like button on the stream. It just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Amy's pumping a little bit here. I like it. Ankle socks? Nah. I haven't worn ankle socks in like 8 billion years. Mid calves, bro. What am I, a father? Wearing ankle socks and New Balances? What is this nonsense? All right, Amy, come on. Come on. 18, then 19, then 20, then 21, then 22, 23. You like a person who would have hobbit feet? Wired. Oh, Amy with a candle. Amy with a candle. The buyers are stepping up. The buyers are stepping up. I like it. I like it. Come on. Spy's not doing a whole lot here, and Amy's just getting spicy. GME is pumping right now, people. Here we go. Look at this. GME's up 3%. Amy's trying to go green right now. Everybody, rockets and basketballs right now. That's what we need to see out of you people. We're going to also, here we go. Let it go. All right, here we go. Come on, pump. I did it. Don't worry. It's fine. I'm pumping it over here with my singing voice. Come on, above 18. Pump. Let's go. This is how we do it. All right. 18 resistance heavy. Oh, he just hit it. Oh, the singing's working. Oh, that was a pump right there. GME is ripping right now. Oh, here we go, people. 106 on GME. 18. I mean, let's get Amy up. Oh, here we go. Here we go, people. Got a snow day? Nah, I don't have a snow day. I'm in class. Currently, I'm listening to history class right now, but I'm also watching these boom candles just fire off on the chart. This is sad, says Byron. Byron, get out of here, bro. Just kidding. Road to 21? I guess so. Oh my God, about $18 calls for pennies today. Attaboy. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Woohoo! All right, come on. Get them up there. 8 ball. Here we go. It's just Friday scalpers. Don't count on it to stay, says King Kyle. You know what? I'm going to be optimistic, you know? I'm going to be optimistic over here. Uh-oh. Bing bong. Oh, did I? That's funny. Did I just bust myself up? I think I did. Oh, that stinks. I lost something, but it's okay. Hit the like, says STV's chair. Tyler Powell bought 2 more shares. There you go, buddy. All right, GME, what are we doing here? 105.52. Oh, it's right here. I'm such an idiot. This is just... Okay. Here we go, people. Come on. Do you rent your ankles out for parties? Nah. Don't stop singing. Please don't stop the music. All right, come on. Let's go. Come on. Back above 18. Let's go. Lost your ankle bracelet? Nah. Not much, but honest work. There you go, bud. It always goes back down. That's why I stopped getting too excited. Yeah, might, but I mean, there's going to be a lot of excitement, I think, going into the last couple hours today. So let's see. 5 more for the gang. There you go. Are my ankles okay? Yeah, we're good. Cinemark and AMC on the same algo. That's nonsense over there. Stop, says Matt Synthetic Girlfriend. Let's see. We going back to double digits? We are in double digits right now. We are currently in double digits. What happened? Did Lou stop buying? Let's see. What do you think about 19 save for AMC? I mean, you can if you want to. It's going to be a little risky, though. You're YOLOing at that point. All right, Spy coming down, Hood coming down. Down, girl, Hood, down. You're getting better, Vix. American Idol incoming. Let's go. What a funny question. Puts on naked ankles. Yup. Here we go, everybody. Come on, Amy. Let's get a little bit of a cool off here, and then boom. That's what we want to see. Spy coming down. Hood down, girl. Here we go. GME 104.89. A little bit of a run up here, but selling back off. Still above these highs over here. This little 1, 2, 3. TMI's avocado. Did they move your classes online because I'm on house stress? No, I wish they did, though. You meant double digits above 20? That's not double digits. This is your professor. Maybe you should listen to us because we're all watching you live now. Jeremy, that's cool. I don't think you are, but that's fine. Well, somebody got in trouble in the Renaissance. All right, here we go. What are you expecting for close? Honestly, with this price action we're seeing here, it could be interesting. It honestly could be interesting. We got 13 minutes until the SPY has typically made a little bit of a move over the last couple of days, but let's get excited. Let's have some fun. Amy's getting a little bit jumpy over here. They're settling down a little bit for that next little run up, hopefully. We got these 50 MAs and all the moving averages coming up. VWAP coming up. Volume stepping in over here. 41 million in volume on Amy right now. Let's see. I got puts on Vix's singing career. Bro, that's fine. I would buy puts on that too. Let's see. I'm 8 cents in profit total from all my stocks. Ouch. Oh, they're selling it to the 50. 50 test. Boom. That's what I want to see. SPY down. Hood down, girl. 1348, 5-minute BBIG. Is Biggie pumping? Biggie? What are the options at 350 for it? Nah, 10,000. That doesn't. What are the puts on it, though? Nah, nothing crazy. All right, here we go. Do you see SPY and GME match completely today? Yeah, they do that a lot. You're the William Hung of finance streamers. I don't understand what that is. I hope that's a Are they sharking it right now? There's little bit of a shark. Little shark over here. This is like a reverse shark over here. Coming back up a little bit here. 1775. Let's see the buy. I mean, this could just be. This is a low cup and handle. This is just parabolic. Here we go. Come on. Biggie stuck on the couch. Yeah. Vic said he will strip to his ankles if we hit 21. Yucca, I said no such thing. What is a shark? This is a shark. That's a shark right here. That's a shark. We don't want to see that nonsense. All right. SoFi 2 pumping. Interesting. Tim. Thank you so much for that super, buddy. I really appreciate that. I don't know Meatloaf, William Hung. I only know Baby Shark. Yep. 16K profit, down in 3 months, still not leaving. There you go. Yeah, that was a little baby shark, but we're coming back up off of it. Yeah, here she comes. Here's Spy got a nice candle here. They've been sharking us every day for weeks. Yeah. Been in since January. That's over 26 pay periods. I've had to add to my position and partake in the party. Just chilling. At a boy. At a boy. All right, here we go. A predator in the ocean. Peloton still pumping? That's nonsense. Just going to point that out there. That's nonsense. Remember what we were saying earlier? It's literally a bike with an iPad. What number for AMC do we want to see to close the screw the options? Like 24? Like that's what we would need. MACD's just crossed on the upside on the 30-minute. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Yup. What about the 1 hour? They're coming. It's coming on the 1 hour. SVU was still in diapers when Will Hung was popular. Dude, probably. Like, I'm a child. I'm 22 years old. You guys are watching me yell at a stock calling it Amy, and I'm in college right now, and I'm in class. Like, think about how crazy this is. I'm literally in a class yelling at a stock, calling it a name. This is wild. Nuh-uh. People yell at you and tell you you're weak and lazy. I don't think I'd be considered lazy. I think I would be considered not lazy. All right, Jimmy, what are you doing here? Your hair looks like a shark fin? Maybe it's me. Maybe I'm causing all the sharks. Anytime this teacher pauses, I think my mic is off and I just yelled something wild. And then like the whole class is like, what? Every single time. There's a lot of pauses that freak me out. Amy Ortex, let's see. Oh, they're messing with it. 5 million returned shares. They pushed the short interest down, estimated to 19.61. I don't know. What's going on here. What was the volume on all these candles right here? Not a whole lot, honestly, on these 1 minute candles. Interesting. Vix, I like that you engage with the chat. You guys are what make the chat, like the stream, fun. I can't just sit here and just like come up with things in my brain. Like I'm kind of creative, but I'm not that creative to just sit here and talk all the time and just think of things and not like go back and forth with you guys. You need to do live streams while you're in class. That would be awesome. Oh, cool. Yeah, I'm definitely not doing that right now. All right. Let's see. Amy, 1780-ish right now. GME popping up a little bit here. Spy, pop, pop, pop. Biggie chilling out a little bit here. Screaming Amy Ortex sounds so sus. No, it doesn't. Like Amy's bleeding sounds worse. Amy pumping, Amy get up there, like that. Amy, like Amy punt, like all that stuff. Baby shark. Let's see. All right. Yeah. Also, guys, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out with the algorithm. I'm looking for something right here. All right. What's going on? Somebody saying some wild stuff over here? Yeah, no. Get out of here with that nonsense. What's support for the SPY? I would say the low of the day today, 440.66. That's right at the 200 MA on the daily. It's easier to read the chat when there's not 10,000 people watching. True. Very true. That is very true. At that point, you almost can kind of only read supers and it just flies. But you can turn slow mode on, so then it makes it like this, I feel like. You getting excited? Do you feel it? Do you feel the excitement coming? Do you guys feel it? Hold on. Are you feeling it? Little pop and Amy, a little bit of excitement coming in here. Do you guys feel it? I feel it. I think it's going to get a little interesting over here. I think we're going to start having some fun. All right. I'm always on slow mode. Me too, buddy. Looking forward to being a multimillionaire. There we go. Lou says he's pumping Amy in 3 minutes. Okay. Go for it. Like I can't control anybody else and what they want to do. Let's see. Mark, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, buddy. Got a call for 1,100 likes. LFG. Ho, 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 ho. He hates it? Who hates what? SV is pushing away all the honeys because he's always talking about Amy. Yeah. Like button pump. All right, here we go. You guys feel a little pop in Amy? Who did not say that? I don't know. People are saying nonsense. Okay, sorry, that was too far. That was too far. Too far. I apologize. I'm just having fun today. I'm just having fun. I'm messing around. I'm messing around. I'm messing around. All right, come on, Amy. Come on, get up above 18. People are about to halt this thing toward the end of the day. Lol, bad deal. That's what I'm saying. I don't think you want to halt into the end of the day. Like that's not what you want to see. Oh, average ape. What's up, my man? All right. Kramer sold, pump it. Do you live by TMI now? That was perfect. Oh, that was a good one, huh? That was a real good one. It's just fun. I'm just having fun. Said it was the market reaper. Yeah, that noise was perfect, dude. We got so good. Okay, the origination of like doing it was in Kansas, and we were just sitting at Buffalo Wild Wings, and Gabe just looks at us, review dork, and just does it, and we just lost it. Like it was just out of nowhere. SB, I did not play cover calls this week, but wishing I had. Yeah, he's possessed. Amy 1780. Yeah, I want Don Julio 1942 prices over here. That's what I want. Vaporized. So happy seeing the action. I mean, I'm hoping we get some action over here. Holy, you found your voice. Keith, thanks for the super. I appreciate that, buddy. Best stock stream ever. Thanks, my man. Here we go. Apes, the action intensifies from this point on. Hold proposition STV's ankles. Nah, STV should invite Lou to come in. I would 100% have him on if he wanted to come. But being how he hates YouTubers, I feel like that would mean that he hates me too. So I don't think he would come on, but he's welcome to. I mean, I don't have any problem with him. I just think sometimes it just says nonsense and people get the wrong information and then it's all crazy. Oh, Amy 1787 trying to make a little bit of a pop back up here. Here we go. Bullish on STV's ankles. Here we go. That's all. All right. Oh, Frank, stop. Do it again? No, I'm not doing it again. Oh, you would stay away from him right now? Oh, he admitted to murdering 7 people? What? Oh, pop. Holy crap. Holy new highs over here. More recent highs on Amy. Oh, boy. We are now getting some boom booms over here. He admitted to not aliving 7 people. That's okay. All right, man. You got to do what you got to do sometimes. Mark, thank you so much for the super. If Jack helped you on a horse, would you help me off the horse? No, red to green, baby. That was a big candle. Let's see if it holds. Did that make the 1 hour MACD go green? Yeah, it's crossing right here. It looks like it wants to cross right here. So this could be good. They're stepping up on all time frames. 1803 right now. Jimmy got a little bit of a pop. 105.53. Didn't quite break over that more recent high, but let's see what happens here. It's Lou. I mean, I feel like if that happened, you wouldn't be around for it. And if admitting it to an audience on YouTube is probably not the smartest thing to do. Like if I had done that, I wouldn't be like, hey guys, guess what I did? Like I'd be like, hush, hush, no more, no thank you. You got to do it at close this week, though. I got to do what at close? Oh, the noise? I could do it again. I'll just do it randomly. Like when we pop, I'll just do it. All right, Biggie selling off. Spy coming down with Amy getting a little bit of jumpiness over here. This is interesting. Let's see. I'm horrible at math. What percentage gain would that be? 5, whatever it is. 5 divided by 18. It's a little less than 30%. It's like 27%, I think. You didn't close those spy puts, did you? No, I did. I did. But I still have these over here. Still got these. Down girl. Down hood. Whoa, hold on. What is this crap? No, none of this. Pop-up sell-off. Stop doing shark fins on the chart, market makers. I see what you're doing. This shark fin stuff is nonsense. This is crazy. A lot of nonsense coming in over here, huh? Let's see here. Yeah, for everybody new filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, just helps out with the algo a little bit. Here's a super for Lou since he loves them so much, says Keith. Oh, that was reckless, buddy. That was reckless of you. I like the spice coming out of you. They're rallying up now. All right, let's see. I'm telling you, they're probing. Yeah, the careful Vix bans supers. I've never banned one. It's the mods that are actually. I might no. I don't. Even when somebody was saying that they were shorting AMC in it, but they were like, "Or I had puts or something." And they're like, "I'm coming back in when it comes down." I was like, "I don't know what I can do about that." Shark fin technical. Yeah, like what is this nonsense over here, people? Bring everyone on. I mean, that would be pretty sweet to see, but I don't know if we can get everyone. Craziest thing is we didn't say is we sideways close on the SPY. Yeah. What is it now? Down 1%? Honestly, good. I would say nothing's out of the question. He only bans my supers. Yeah. When Keith sends supers, my mods just are like, nope. Money is not good here. Let's see. There were a bunch of sell orders for 677. Then AMC when AMC went up. Interesting. Tall the VIX. That is me. I'm only 6'2", though. Love and appreciate what you do. I scrape for every share I get, but I'm 2 shares from my goal of 101 across 3 brokers. I need this. Let's go. There you go, buddy. All right, coming down for a little MA test again. Let's see what happens over here. It's curling up. SPY moving down. Hood down, girl. Go. Let's see. I want to see 20 plus again. Brother 8. My man, me too. How can you be 6'2" without ankles? Dude, think about what I'd be with ankles. You are not 6'2", you tiny little thing. I am 6'2". Just, I mean, it's not really negotiable. How are we supposed 21? I don't think it's possible. I'm just kind of feeding into it right now for fun, just for entertainment purposes. Like 21, let's go. Because I was so like angry about it yesterday. But you guys know, like 21 is like right around max pain. It's not gonna do a whole lot. But like, all right, if you're gonna do it, I'll cheer it on going up. Let's see what happens. 6'2" with the hair? No, I'm like 6'3" with the hair. He was taller before the haircut. 6'2", 120 pounds? No, I'm like 185, 190. I'm a little boy right now. I shorted you at 5'2"? Interesting. All right, SPY making a avocado. What are we looking at here? I mean, we got this little. You think Peloton is dropping further? Yeah. Def funny. I try to entertain. Floop. I feel like floop is like also kind of like it's like my version of lose noise. When I just go floop, right? Like I feel like that's what it is over here. Do you think Congress have pulled out of the market because they're concerned about new potential laws? I don't know. I don't know, man. All right. If you push the hair down, SB is 5'7". No, if I push the hair down, I'm 6'2". Is 43 million in volume good for this time of day? It's not good or bad. It's just buying pressure is what we want. Well, I have calls and puts for BBIG, so I can't lose. You can if it doesn't move. You will lose both sides. What's 9 plus 10? 21. So what do you know, law? I mean, let's see. Let's see. Dividend investor, my man. Thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, dude. I've got 2002 GME shares, all DRS. Ooh, you whale you over there. What are your thoughts about this being about this thing with Ally and Apex potentially pulling shares out of DRS? I've not seen that before. I'd have to take a look at that. Dividend investor, can you send me a link to that? I've not seen that. I don't think they can pull out of shares of DRS. Your entertainment is definitely worth the price of admission. What's the price of it? Oh, a like? That's free. Shorts actually did cover a lot today. According to you, but the overall price action doesn't make a whole lot of sense, Parkat. I know you're always coming in here saying some stuff. Why are they trying so hard to push it below 18? To just screw with us. What is it? Is this going to be a little W right here? Just a little like W shark fin nonsense. Let's see. They're not allowing DRS. That's silly. Oh, on an IRA? It might be because of an IRA. No chatting until you comment on what, Sam? Dividend investor, thanks for the super. It was trending on some posts on Supersonic. Okay, that's it. I haven't seen that. So if they are actually not letting you do it, it might be because it's in an IRA and there might be some tax implications of it. Or if that's really an issue, you can just initiate a transfer to somewhere else and then do it if you want a DRS. So that's something you got to look out for. All right, Amy's doing these 50 tests right now and then bouncing back up. It's getting a little interesting. Here we go. The only thing shorts have covered is my legs down to my knee. Huh? Let's see. There's a lot of DRS FUD. That's just, oh, custodial issue. Interesting. Amy getting jumpy. Let's see here, everybody. Are we gonna get a little spiciness over here? Are we gonna get a little spicy? TLT breaking down here. Oh, watch SPY start to come up off of that. If TLT is moving down, yeah, watch SPY start to make a move up here. So TLT getting aggressive to the downside. Oh, bonds are settling down. Watch SPY start to come up here. This could get interesting. Space Age Play. Thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. If Max Payne is at 22, would it be better for us to finish at 18 or 22? It's kind of for the difference. The only thing 20 has a decent amount of open interest, so it could be a little. Oh, Amy with a candle here. Here we go. So you could get. It doesn't really matter. It like the only thing that would matter is the unhedging and a little bit of the hedging of the calls at 20. There's not a lot at 21, and in order to really see a difference, you would need a giant boom, like above 22, above Max Payne to get it out of the range. It's Lou. All right, so we're coming up here. Everybody, when we see green candles now, are just like, it's Lou. This is great. I'm having so much fun today. This is great. Lou's coming again. All right, SPY moving up a little bit here. TLT selling off pretty hard. This could get good. If TLT sells off hard here, Amy could get a little bit of pop. Masquerade, what's up, people? How we doing? Hold up. Let me see. I'll shoot TMI a link. I'm like in class. This is going to be really hard to hear, but I will shoot TMI a link right now. If you guys are still over there, I'll send him a link really quickly. Where is he? Bing bong. All right, here we go. You guys love I love when you guys like. All right, here we go, Amy. Come on. 18. All right, GME popping a little here. Yeah, a little bit. I mean, we got these little W's up here. I mean, it's kind of just flagging. Cup and handle for AMC, a little bit. I mean, this is just like cup. Could do a little handle here and then come up. Oh, whoa. The only thing that I heard in this chat class right now is they brought back syphilis. And I was like, what are we talking about here? And that was really it. Your charts are so crisp. Thank you. I appreciate that. No hate, though. We're not hating over here. For everybody new filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button. We're going to be on till the end of the day. It's looking like it's going to get a little spicy coming into the end of the day. Remember, there's like $3 trillion worth of options. Hold on. I got to make sure if TMI pops in that I can hear him because I can't hear anything. Let's see. What's up, Mass Gang? How are we doing, people? Heather, why are you putting your address in the chat? What is that? Let's see. Did your professor go to Vegas? I don't know, man. Let's see. Oh, Amy. Okay, so this little move right here, if there's a little bit of volume coming, how big are these volume candles here? 400,000, not bad. Counselor Murray, what's up, man? How you doing? Thank you so much for the super. Gensler's Robot Godzilla is here. My man, here we go. Get Matt on? Matt's probably streaming right now. Oh, coming up. Okay, so we're going to need to see if we really start to get going. We're going to need to see that break of Don Julio 1942 on Amy. We got the Mask Gang coming in. What's up, people? Let me see if he popped in. Not yet. Let's see. Some still saying buying after 3:30 will get us indicted. Well, you are coordinated buying. That's not okay. I'm just watching it. I've said my piece on that. It's risky. It's probably not going to make all that much of a difference in terms of the options change. So we'll see. But be careful with what you're doing. Mask Gang, what's up? How we doing? SV, when Amy pumps, now we need a Lou from you. All right, cool. If Amy pumps and you guys all start screaming, oh my God, it's Lou, maybe I'll do it. All market makers are having to start rehedging. Not yet. Not yet. Sup, Vix? What's up, Alfonso? How you doing, people? All right. Yeah, everybody filtering in right now. Make sure you guys hit that like button. We got to get some more. Like, this is gnarly right here. This is getting interesting. Amy's popping up here. It's looking good from these lows of the day, man. Like, look at the range on freaking AMC. 16.22 to 18.29. That's a $2 move in a day. That is huge. Here it comes. GME popping up here. Here we go, people. How are they going to prove coordinated buying? All the videos that were made about it that are like, we're going to buy it this time. Like, all right. Like, come on. We should play some uncoordinated. Oh my God, it's Lou. This is so much fun today. GME popping over here. Amy getting a little bit of a pop. Here we go, everybody. This is about to rock, and it could. Oh, here he is. This is going to really mess with my head because I'm in class. I'm going to have to hear TMI too, which honestly, I'd much rather listen to TMI than class. Here he is. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
I'm going to tell you exactly what your class is going to tell you. Pay me now. Give me your money, and I will give you a certificate, a piece of paper, and you can be on your way, sir.
I would like to do that. Just buy a diploma.
Yeah, people, don't get faked out with this one, all right? If you're in anything and you take some profits when you can.
Not TMI. Dude, no, it's going to 21.
Oh, right.
This is so much fun. Anytime we get a pop now, everybody's like, Lou's buying again. So I just sit here when we get a pop, and I'm just like,
Oh boy.
Oh, let's go, guys. Make sure you hit that like button. Let's have some fun. This is gonna be a great time. Dude, GME's popping here. Spy's not doing much of anything. TLT, we need that to come down, and then we go boom.
I know. I'm looking at this right now, like, hold on a second, guys. What the heck is going on here? Because the market is doing poorly. AMC and GME today, after that initial drop, well, one, they've been identical, but two, they've been outperforming the market.
Yeah. My class is done in 4 minutes, so then I don't have to listen to somehow they brought syphilis back in history. I don't know how that worked, but
what? The average apes in here. What's going on, buddy?
All right, I'm gonna send out a little tweet. Hold on. Oh.
SUV, have you seen TMI out the mask? He's seen TMI with naked shorts on.
Yeah. TMI loves to stream with no pants on, so it's like really weird when he just like streaming with all of us there, and it's just like, oh no, this is just what I do, and we're like, all right, man.
Sometimes you just gotta let that, just gotta let it breathe every once in a while,
Oh, I typed in AMD. Good thing I didn't tweet it out yet. Jesus. I'm an idiot sometimes. That was bad. All right. Tweet has been sent. Amy popping here. Oh boy. All right. 2 minutes before class.
I like this. Yes, Lou to the rescue. TMI can't even show his position. Did Lou show you his position? Maybe I missed something. I don't know. Is that what happened? Did I miss that one?
I guess he said he killed 7 people, and I guess that's how it's going. But
wait, what?
I guess he said in his most recent video that he was just killing people. I don't know, man. I don't know. Man. Keith, thank you for the super, buddy. Cannot stop supering. I could have used this $5 on my purchase at 3:47 p.m. Away. No collusion there. 36.70 end of the day. I don't know, man.
That is freaking wild.
Dude, I was like, what? People were like, oh, yeah. And I was like, okay, if I did that, I probably wouldn't be like, hey, guys, guess what I did? Like, what's going on, guys? Guess what I did this weekend? Like, come on.
Oh, man. You don't snitch. Don't snitch.
We're getting a candle.
Especially on yourself. So this is the thing. If we have a 20% rip today, if we run up to 21 today, that'd be like a 20% rip. It would be very exciting and much of nothing at the same time. It'd be the weirdest. Like if we get too excited over running up to 21, it's really shifting our perspective on where things are. It's odd.
Yeah.
But it's much better than being down around 16. Like it's a huge difference.
So much better. Especially like Spy just screwing around right here. It's disjointing right now. GME is getting gnarly. The thing is here though is like, if you're gonna talk about like this whole thing about like the coordinating stuff, one, it's not even that time yet where people were saying that they were gonna do it, and two, GME's ripping too. So what the heck is going on?
Yeah.
This whole coordination stuff, not so good. But like, I don't know, man. Oh, class is over. Almost done. Now I can take these AirPods out and not get distracted. Let's see. Guys, the news. What happened? What news? Just buy the stocks.
This is you talking about Lou, but Lou's talking about you. I think. Well, apparently, from what I hear, Lou always says in videos that he's not like other YouTubers. So apparently, he talks about other YouTubers in every single video.
Yeah,
So
I was like, people are like, you should
just
have
not
him on.
accurate.
I'm like, I will. He just hates all YouTubers, so I feel like he just hates me.
Yeah, and I like this. I said a while back, like I'm not gonna talk shit about Lou because like he has his opinions, which is fine. Like it is what it is, right? But I mean, like that's just a statement of saying like I'm not like a YouTuber. It's like, but you make more YouTube videos than any other YouTuber out here, so you would typically be a bigger YouTuber. Like you're good, and he's good at it.
He's good at YouTube.
He's good at YouTube. So
he's
it's
the
like
best YouTuber that's not a YouTuber.
You are the you are the YouTuber.
Dude, GME is up above 110 right now, and freaking TLT is tanking. This is looking good.
Yeah, don't like. I'm just hoping that people don't do anything crazy with like YOLOs. Just FYI.
Don't do that because like you can't like you don't know what's gonna happen here.
Yeah, coming from the guy who makes YOLO calls so Vix, let's do this.
Yeah,
one YOLO call on Thursdays.
Okay, we could do that
for Fridays.
I used to do that. I used to just do it with FedEx most of the time because the
Yeah.
market was green. FedEx would go up 1-2%, and those that's not supposed to move that much, and then it would just pump, and those calls would go like 300%.
Nathan's like winking face. He puts like 50 winking faces. We're all making our own choices. Another 50 winking
Chinman Z says Lou always says good things about USTV. I've never heard it, but okay, cool.
Yeah. Lou,
I only watch the videos that you guys send me.
I think I've said 10 times more good things about Lou than Lou said about me.
He said some wild stuff about you that one time, I think.
So I'm just like, all right, you know what? I'm gonna kill you with kindness, and then if it ever changes, then it is what it is. That's on you.
We're not hating him on right now. We're actually like, we're actually like, I like some of his content. Like, it's funny. There was that video last night that was getting sent to me a bunch. I watched it and I was laughing so hard.
Because he's good. Like, yo, guys, you have to understand. That sounds like him. You have to understand. He is probably the best YouTuber. Listen to the words that are coming out of my mouth. He is probably the best YouTuber. Like pure YouTube content, what YouTube was created for is what he is doing.
Mm-hmm.
That's not disrespect. That is respect.
Yeah, he's got the game on. Like, he's got the YouTube game locked up.
Yeah, if he was not a good YouTuber, whether or not you guys agree with his opinions or not, that's fine. That is what it is. That's what YouTube can be too, right? You guys are all talking. Like, I see Lou popping up and down here. He wouldn't be popping up and down the chat if he wasn't a good YouTuber.
Exactly. Like, everybody, you love him or you hate him, which is kind of how you got to be to like win, I guess.
That's it.
Like,
it's like you're like he's a con or he's great. It's just like if you have an opinion,
to him, it's all views.
Yeah, if you have an opinion on him, he got you.
Exactly.
That's it.
Where is he? Where is he when we need him? We're coming down. Where is he?
Lambala. Somebody call him.
It's just inversing TLT right now.
I know. Okay, guys, listen. I gotta jump. I'm gonna go walk the puppy. I might catch you guys a bit for the last half an hour.
Yeah, you got the link, buddy. Pop back on whenever. I can hear you now. Pop in. I had to like go back and forth and be like, is he coming on?
Yeah. Wait. Did you hear me this one?
What?
Did you hear me on this one?
No, I had my AirPods in. I was just flickering back and forth.
That's hilarious. Okay, good stuff. Good. That's pretty fast. I just popped on.
Yeah, it was annoying because I was like, I had class and I was like, oh shoot, I don't want to be in it. So,
and did you see last thing? Did you see any interesting calls for 1348? Just wondering if you saw any.
Oh, mine was jacked up because I didn't have my after hours on. So everybody was like, it crossed on AMC. And I was like, no, it didn't. Like, I look at it right here. It didn't cross. And then everybody's like, yes, it did. I'm like, here it is. I have the EMAs. It's not the MAs. It didn't cross. And then Mike V was like, oh, you're on the wrong thing. And I was like, damn it.
Oh, okay. All right. So now we know. I think where was it? There was what was the one that we just pulled up just now? A Crossing with Wolf with PetSmart. That somebody just played and made a little bit of dough. But anyways, all right, guys.
That's pretty sweet.
I'll catch you guys in a bit.
All right, later, buddy. Oh, Keith, thank you so much for the super, my man. Apparently, I'm up $57 on my January 28 $19 AMC calls. Next up, 145 calls for February 5th. These option plays are easy. I don't know, man. They're pretty hard. Where's AMC now? Amy is at 1826. We need the noise to come back in here, people. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, it is going to get interesting today. We are having fun. It's going wild. Byron, here we go. Byron in the chat. We are squeezing. Look at Ortex and FINRA data. Not really. FINRA, I mean, they returned, it looks like 5 million shares. But remember, we did that yesterday too, with the market tanked. So, and there's also 8 million shares that they can use against us. So a large portion of those shares can just get returned without even ever have been shorted. So that's kind of what we're looking at here. Ortex got a squeeze signal. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Here we go. Keith, thank you for the super. May I please have shares borrowed and short on Zomedica? Yep. All right. So SPY is coming down a little bit here. TLT is making a move back up. So kind of AMC right now is just kind of inversing TLT. So it's a little bit of a bond move in the market right now that's allowing some of these small caps to start to run. If TLT ends up selling off into the end of the day, that could be a very, very strong sign for just a rally coming into small caps in general. So so what do you want? Shares borrowed and returned. 1.3 million returned, 1.51 million borrowed. Amy getting a little bit of a pop here. Here we go. As we not sure what's going on, but whenever AMC goes up, my trading view lags. Unusual. Interesting. What number signal on Ortex? Actually, let me look. I forget what the numbers are. Oops, that's inside trading signals. Right today, nope, it got an RSI type 3, 20 to 30 direction sell on AMC. This is not a short squeeze signal. Let's see. Thank you very much. Anytime, Keith. Let's see. Why borrow the shares, pay the fees, and not short them? Because the fees are so minuscule, and they're probably trying to get a decent average. But if it tanks, they're not going to short it on the way down because they're going to mess with their average on whatever short position they want to enter. Let's see. 1348 cross on 10-minute on AMC. Ooh, interesting. It's coming up. I believe we still have that MACD cross on the 1 hour on Amy. Basically barely. No, it hasn't crossed yet, honest. Okay, interesting. So we're waiting for that 1 hour cross. We got the 30-minute cross. We got SPY kind of doing its thing. TLT popping back up a little bit. STV's chair, thank you so much for the super. Can I get an Ortex on ankles and hit the like? I can't hit the like, but thank you very much. Ortex on ankles. Heavily shorted right now. How much are we green? We are up about 14 cents, 0.75%. GME is up 5% right now, $5. So GME is kind of leading the way right now. And TLT is still making this little bit of a run up. So watch out below on the SPY. Let's see if Amy and GME are going to be able to keep going here, but it's looking all right here. Amy just went red. What is that nonsense candle? All right. So we're seeing another test of the 50 MA right here. GME coming down a little bit here, but not a whole lot. Let's see what we're going to get here. Did we hit SSR today? Yeah, I believe we did. All right, people. BBIG. Yeah, TLT is making a move here. Watch out below on the SPY for a little while. What's BBIG? BBIG selling off a little bit here. Amy trying to bounce off of that 50 MA right here. We're at 1809. So let me get TLT back up here too, because that's been kind of just driving price action through the whole day. A lot of bond movements over here. So rejected at the 50. If it comes back down, watch a little bit of a pop on AMC and GME and a little bit of a pop on the SPY too. Do you want to build a snowman? Not really. Let's see. I need the SPY lower. You need to sing. Nah, the singing gets everything up. Order at 18. Market maker wants to pick up. Ooh, we mirror opposite of TLT. Yeah, pretty much. Then to 1950, and we need to cross the Don Julio 1942. TLT moving down. Hold on now. If it breaks through here and starts to move back up, or watch SPY start to get a little bit of a jump here. And same thing with Amy bouncing off of this 50 GME. Here it goes. Looking good over here. Little cup and handle on here on GME right now. So maybe on Amy too, but GME, I mean, I don't even know if you can call that a cup and handle, but let's see. We could pump in power hour. I don't know. Let's see. You know what we need? Rockets and basketballs. Here we go. Oh, here it comes. Come on. You got a phone call, Citadel begging to stop buying. I bought earlier today. I'm not really going to participate in the nonsense in the coordinated stuff. That's just not for me. SV and TMI, you should make bold NFTs of yourself. Oh, we could do that. We could try. All right. This is getting hot here. I'm getting hot. I'm getting itchy over here. We're getting ready to, I'm stuck. All right. Don't make it all cramp. Oh, that hurt. Oh, I just got a cramp. Oh, that sucked. All right. Oh, it really hurts. Who's buying now? If Lou waiting for that? I don't know, man. I really don't know. It's not nonsense, dude. I don't know, but I just got the worst cramp of my entire life. Yeah, 16 bucks was sexier. I don't know, man. Yeah, because you're scared. Okay, here's the thing. Let me know how great you're gonna feel when you're facing a giant judgment from the SEC or jail time. That's what I would like to say. You're like, no, they're not gonna do anything, which is also the way the hedge funds think, but also at the same time, you don't have enough money. So it's gonna be a little weird. You can do it all you want. But I'm just not that's not for me. But let's see. Ankle cramp. No, it was like a lat cramp. That hurt. Did you just cramp taking off a sweater? Don't. All right. Amy testing the 50 again. Let's see. Are your ankles insured? No. Was it your squirrel? Nah. SCV's cramping due to syphilis. Stop. All right. We're getting some hedgy tears going. Here we go. They need to worry about the hedgy stop being soft. Yeah. Well, what did they do to the hedgies and everything that happened last January? Nothing. You know who got fucked? Retail. So be careful. Do what you want to do, though. It's your money. I can't tell you how to spend it. So do what you want to do. All right. Amy, really flat right now. SPY moving down a little bit. TLT just hanging out over here. GME 107.76. Here we go. Hedgy tears equals vodka. I wish, buddy. I wish. IWM. SPY coming down a little bit here. Where's Hood? Down, girl. Down. Ooh, Hood with some candles. Colton, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Ortex data on borrowed shares on BBIG has been going up the last hour. They're saving the powder to hammer to the next 30 minutes. Oh, they might, man. Yeah, you can buy whenever you want. Like, do what you guys want to do. Like, I know you guys, I'm not going to be able to control what you guys do. And that's not what I'm trying to. I'm watching the price action doing my thing over here. We need some hedgies in the chat. Oh, yes, we do. All right, here we go. Oh, Hood down. All right, SPY getting some big candles over here. Amy coming down to its 50. Let's see what happens. So SPY is getting pretty selly over here. It's trying to make that more recent low. The last time we saw the SPY kind of hanging around, Amy just got a nice little pop. So we're at 18 right now. GME's at 107.89, up 5%. Amy's down 5 cents. Hood is coming down here. I like to see that. Hood getting slammed. I know. I like that. Just did called GME to 100 last week and got ripped apart. I mean, I was looking to see. I mean, it definitely could have done it. I was talking to my buddy about this. If it falls that far, like far enough below, they're going to trigger some buyback stuff. I think. So SPY coming down 1.15%. Amy holding up all right with the SPY move. Hood being an a-hole as usual. Did you watch Meet Kevin's video? I did not. BBIG, is it coming down or is it getting a pump over here? Oh, shoot. BBIG selling off hard right now. My God. I was listening to class. Do you work out? I used to all the time. I used to be much larger than I am now, but I don't really have a lot of time with school and doing this all day long. So I'm trying to get back. 50 million share buy shares in power will send AMC. I mean, you look jacked. What, bro? All right, here we go. GME still looks good. Yeah. Best channel. Yuck. I appreciate that. Up 5% on GME right now. Amy down 10 cents. SPY tank. BBIG tank. Hood 3 for 3. It's not a tank. Team, I said he wouldn't smoke until the squeeze. The room looks smoky. Nah. BBIG is trash. Why are we recycling it? Nah, they got a lot of good stuff coming in the future for them. So we'll see what happens with it. I mean, 32 minutes and 40 seconds till power hour, but who's counting? I mean, you sound like you are counting. All right, Amy now down below the 50. SPY coming down. Hold on, where's TLT? Is it getting a nice little rip here? Probably. I don't know. This little bond move is saying nothing too crazy. Let's see. Fuzzy Wuzzy, what's it about? What's the Meet Kevin video about? Nothing all day until 15 minutes ago? What do you mean? Corey's tweaking. What's up with Corey? Corey, stop. Corey, we're going to have none of that. We're going to have no substance usage over. TLT. That's going to get a little spicy. Oh, down. All right, Amy chilling over here. Let's see. It's just a silly Titanic meme about the market tanking. Oh, that's not that crazy. IWM broke the bear flag. I bet it did. Look at, we're gonna get a little selly into close, I think. Hood coming down, Amy coming down. Let's see. 1790 then up. We're about to hit it. Oh, Lou. Yeah, where's he at? Come on. What happened here? Everybody was saying he was buying. They knock it down every time we start to rip. They're knocking everything down every time we start to rip. Let's see. GME trying to get a little bit of buying pressure over here. Amy 1792. Let's see. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, just helps out the algorithm. Hood down. All right. Things are looking a little bit selly. We have 30 minutes until power hour, people, and the market is getting a little bit scared of something. IWM selling hard. I'm 22. Let's see. Boom boom sauce. We need some moon candles is what we really need. All right. Hood down, girl. Let's see. I think we need some rockets and basketballs is what we really need. I think that's what we really need. All right, everybody. Let's see. Amy, do your thing. Do your thing here. Get it back above 18 and get going. Let's do a Selly, you mean silly? Yeah, let's do a little Ortex update on Amy, see what they've done. Actually, we'll check GME too. 5.13 million returned shares, 1.1 million borrowed, 19.65% estimated short. Is GME's short interest estimated to be higher than AMC's right now? No, GME's is 19.09% estimated, 84% utilization, low cost to borrow still. 5.28 days to cover though. That's pretty big. Ooh. 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 Hold on now. Where's Rogue Ben? Rogue appears when a boom boom happens. He usually does. Oh, we need squirrels? I guess so. Question. Can Citadel bail and help prop up Hood? They can, but I don't see why they would want to. They don't really care. It would honestly be in their best interest to let Hood fall significantly and then buy them. Send no more paying for order flow and they just have it. So then they're getting free order flow. But not really because they bought the company. That's what they would want to do, I think. T-minus 1 hour till Monkey Madness. I guess so. How old were you last year? 21. What time frame are you using? This is just 1 minute candles. I feel a Don Julio coming. Oh, I would love to see a Don Julio today. Break above 1942. That'd be sweet. Moon, baby, moon. You can feel the excitement going into the end of the day. I feel like this is a lot different than what we've seen in the past when we're like a little bit red. GME is now up 4.5% off of their giant rip. And we're down 1% right now. We are kind of melting down a little bit here with the market. But again, the one thing that the market makers are never going to be able to counteract is aggressive buying volume, like aggressive just buy and sell, like just lots of buying demand coming in. TLT bounce. Watch out below. Subi Sickness says AMC, GME, get rich or die buying. There you go, buddy. You passed 3,000 viewers. Congrats. Hit the like button, y'all, says TMIDs. We are almost at the record. We need like a little bit more, but we are almost at the record. What do you mean? You mean with the market makers? Huh? New drinking game. Every doing a shot. Everyone's no. 1 minute candle. Use the 5 minute. No, I like the 1 minute candle. It's fun. It shows a lot of aggressiveness. How many hoodies do you own? Like 6, I think. Hood Ortex. It's like 13% shorted, but high utilization and decently high cost to borrow. All right. Hood coming down a little bit here. If it breaks. Amy, what are you going to do here? There is excitement because the securities felony squad is going to smash that buy in T-minus 27 minutes. Keith, that was funny. That was a good one. Oh, Amy trying to pop up a little bit here. We're fighting. We are fighting. Hood, I mean, also fighting. I wouldn't want to see that, but, I mean, whatever. Can you check Walmart text? No. Oh, my God, it's Lou. Stop. Where's my $1 candles? Dude, I'm trying. Like, what do you want me to do over here? Chase Spider says 320. All right, stop it. Let's see. Can you check Walmart or text? You're wild. You guys are crazy. 6, that's not enough. What if your guest takes 3? She's got like 2 of them. 2 or 3 of them. So now I have 6. I used to have more. I have more hoodies. I just don't wear them. 1 minute doesn't tell you anything unless you're scalping. I'm not trading it, Jorge. I'm not trading it right now. You can look right here and just be like, ah, cool. Did we cross on the 1 hour yet? The MACD? Yeah. Cross. Chrissy cross. Amy, none of this nonsense rejecting from the 50. We are coming up. Oh, no, Rex, I'm not hating on him at all. I actually like him. I think it's just funny what's going on because everybody, when they come in and we see a giant candle, they're like, it's Lou. And I just think that's comical. SPY selling off pretty hard here. Let's see. Oh, Fuzz, that was too soon, buddy. All right, here. SPY selling off a little bit. I mean, we might get that selliness into close. That would be silly. Some spoofing happening? Yeah. What am I doing? I'm buying and holding, Jorge. Are we going to play this game again that we played this morning, Jorge? I'm not trading AMC. What's the legal drinking age? 21. Let's see. AMC up, GME Moon. I mean, GME's coming down to the 50 right now. It's still up 4.25%. Amy's down 12 cents right now. Imagine we squeeze into the close and CNBC shows Lou ringing the bell at the close at the New York Stock Exchange. That would be the awesomest thing of all time. Let's see. We buying and holding? Yup. We need a candle over here. We need a candle. Hood just got a candle. Hood just stole our freaking candle. Just kidding. We're getting ours. All right. SPY popping up a little bit. AMC popping up a little bit here. Come on, people. Here we go. GME popping off the 50. It's getting a little interesting. You added 10 more shares of Amy and 1 of Jimmy, says Leo. At a freaking boy. I have 1 green stock that is zero, which pays a strong dip. Oh, that's the thing. 1 likes. You guys can like it if you want. What's your blackjack score with it? What? Oh, with an ace and a king? 21. Hood. Nonsense over here. Amy, I need you to steal Robin Hood's green candles over here. Shop is tanking. They got some bad news today. Let's see. 2075 closed. Corey, that'd be pretty sweet. There are a lot of diamond-handed apes that don't even know they're holding, like my grandma. There you go. I'm just gonna read about close. How's this hype for 18? I'm excited, dude. C-Sams, thank you so much for the super chat, man. I appreciate that. Guys, they make they just make 100% dark bull for the last hour and ladder attacks, and that's it. Nothing will happen. C-Sams, I don't know. We were seeing some bullishness over here. Let's see what happens over here. Hopefully we get some exciting candles because that would be really cool, and I would go crazy just for fun to see the nice little bullish action that we haven't seen in a while. But I don't know. Let's see. On Amy turned long. Did my position on Amy turn long? William, are you suggesting that I was shorting Amy? That's silly. Let's see. Blackjack, where you at? I don't know, man. All right, so we need Don Julio 1942, and then we need Blackjack. 2 things that probably go together. Max gain? No, we want minimum pain. So there's max pain at 22, which is the most amount of options expiring worthless. And then there's minimum pain, which would technically be the most amount of options in the money, which should be 146. So that's what we would want to see. Blank Jump Street. All right. They all short AMC. What? Let's see. Don't overthink this. SPY tanks or rips into close and AMC does the same. Yeah. I mean, I'm just hoping it gets a little fun. Come on, Donnie. Where's Donnie? Is Donnie in here? I haven't talked to Donnie in a while. All right. Hood, stop that. Whatever that nonsense is, you need to get out of here with that. All right. GME 107.50. Amy is at 17.92. Let's see if we can get that hard break of 18 again. That would be pretty sweet. In that case, you are involved in a collusion. No, that is not how these things work. All right, everybody. Let's see here. Max Payne is video game. Yeah, it's also a stock market thing. SPY moving back up here a little bit. Where's TLT? The TLT's not moving. Small caps. Yeah, TLT's coming up here. So that's kind of what small caps might struggle a little bit over here. Let's go to the danger zone first. We would have to go to 21 first to get to the danger zone. Let's see. What's up, my bare naked ankles broski? Having fun watching 21 not happen? Yeah, man. I'm just having fun over here. I'm having the best time ever with everybody. Spy making a little bit of a move here up to the 50. That could get a little interesting. Amy. 1 minute MACD might cross a little bit here. That could be interesting. Max Payne is Charles Payne's brother. All right. That was a good one. That was a good one over here. All right. Oh, GME pop. Amy pop. Hold on now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get up there. I'd eat my shirt if we hit 21. All right, man. 18. I mean, I kind of would too, but you never know. Like, that's the thing. Like, these things get so crazy that you just never know. Like, I'm thinking that it's unlikely, but who knows, man? People are crazy. Let's see. The hardest $3 to gain in our lives. Yeah. Just remember, they told you to buy Netflix instead. Oh, baby. Yes, they did. They said streaming was going to kill movies. And you know what happened? Streaming, I can't say it this way, but they perished yesterday. They had a struggle in the after hours, and Netflix hammered. It's Lou. Let's see here. All candles in power hour should be called Lou Can. I don't think we can do that. All right, we got 19 minutes until power hour. Spy's moving up a little bit here. GME is trying. It's at 108. We got a more recent high of 110.21. AMC's most recent high, 1856. Sell Netflix, buy AMC. SCV, can you please remind people that they must buy from a lit exchange? Yes, if you do not want the market maker to internalize your order and limit price discovery, which basically means the stock going up, then you should consider buying on a lit exchange, because then Citadel's going to get it. Market maker's going to just send that to the dark pool, internalize your order, latency arbitrage you, and basically take your money without seeing it reflected in the actual share price. Blockbuster's ripping? Interesting. What is like BBBY doing? Has this been running? A little bit. All right, we'll put up BBBY over here and let these things run together and see what happens. Is Vanguard a lit exchange? No. You have to go on a broker that like allows you to actually like select IEX or like NASDAQ or something, New York Stock Exchange or something like that. So like TD does it, Fidelity does it, like Active Trader Pro and a lot of that stuff. You heard enough nonsensical Lou hate? Derek, I wasn't hating on him at all. I'm literally making a joke because this is fun, because when everybody says there's a giant candle, it's Lou. That's what's happening. I like his content. If you think I'm hating on him, you're probably being, I don't want to be an asshole today. Sorry. So yeah, you can leave if you want, but we're watching the charts, having fun. You don't need to freak out like that. BBBY is bloodbath to be on. There you go. I was a little a-hole yesterday. We're not doing that today. All right, GME popping up a little bit here. Let's see. Yeah, who is hating, bro? We're trying to get the chart. We're trying to get a boom on AMC going into close. This channel is the best. Keep up the hard work. Charles, I appreciate that, buddy. BBIG, what's going on with that? Is it popping? Or is it tanking still? And a little double bottom, but nothing too crazy going on with Biggie. All right, Amy coming down to the 100 here. Spy selling off a little bit. What would DFV do right now? I don't know. Oh, man. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, just helps out with the algorithm a whole lot. You guys have been super supportive recently. Thank you guys so much. SCV buy with me? Not doing that. Let's see. VIX, how was class? Terrible. I was not having fun at all. I was just not having fun in class. It was not a good time. I was like, I was listening to TMI and my teacher, but not listening to my teacher, trying to listen to TMI. It was hard. All right, here. BBY and G. Everything's kind of, man. They literally are just running right together right now. This is insane. Let's see. Come on, Amy, get a pop. Back above the 50 and just rip. That's what I want to see. Little double bottom here, little tiny little W, and just boom, right back up. That's what I want to see. Jimmy might lead the way. If Jimmy starts to get some candles, GME might lead the way. Sup, Fix? What's up, Ian? How you doing, buddy? Let's see. TLT popping. I don't like it. I don't like TLT popping. Actually, bond yields go down. That's kind of weird. Dixie, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. Well, AMC. Oh God, dude. I can't read. I feel like it's too soon. Bro, that was reckless. That was reckless of you. You almost caught me slipping on that one. You caught me slipping on that one. Shout out to Fred, who is sad about the AMC price. Shout out to Fred. Let's see. Amy going inverse to the SPY. Little bit. I mean, GME's, they're just kind of melting up. GME's just kind of melting up with the 50 right now. AMC's below it, but like this is just craziness right here. Let's see. Sorry about your syphilis. Isn't that like not even bad? I don't know. Like, isn't that one like fine? Like you're good unless you like let it go and then it like melts your brain. Isn't that a thing? Is that a thing? Are we gonna finally see that negative beta? I don't know, man. All right, Amy right now is at 19. Sorry, I'm stupid. I love nope, 1794. It's at I was thinking about Don Julio numbers and the third number and the number. GME's at 108.15. Amy's at 1795. Guys, I might be dyslexic. STV's brain is melting. I think it is too. Let's see. Upward shark fin. I want a shark. This is not really a shark fin, but it's flat right now on AMC. GME with a nice little candle here, up about 6% right now. Oh, 15 minutes before power hour. We're getting another candle here. Come on. Do a wrench capital to take the edge off. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Wrench Capital. That wasn't that bad. Like, I can do some sort of impressions, but that's all I can do. Like that, I can't say anything else. My voice doesn't work like that. Rockets and basketballs. Here we go, people. You clearly don't know how dyslexia or syphilis work. I don't, man. I just don't. SPY moving back up a little bit here to the 50. Amy popped back up above its 50 at 1811 right now. GME basically 109 right now. Let's see if we can get some freaking candles here. That was spot on. Thank you. I appreciate that. That was pretty good. See, it wasn't bad. That was probably the catalyst for the boom boom, huh? I guess that's how that works. Big time USC event tomorrow. Get my picks later. Well, it's Ngannou versus someone that I haven't heard of, which is strange. TLT moving up a little bit here. Jimmy settling down right around 108.89. Amy at 1810. Let's see. Not a hedge fund. Thank you so much for the super. Dyslexia is a sign of syphilis. Okay, thank you. Thanks for that. You got to lick the wicks? I don't know how that works. Oh, TLT pop here. GME coming up. Holy Lee. Jesus, bro. Lee, what are you doing? Dude, thank you so much for that super, but you didn't have to do that. Thank you so much, man. Lee, Power Hour, AMC turned Super Saiyan? I don't know, man. That would be pretty sick. Dude, that was a big one. Thank you so much. You didn't have to do that. Oh, TLT pop. TLT pop, 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 pop. Amy now flat right here. Let's see. 99. Yeah. Oh, yeah, dude. That was crazy. What is AMC 21? Just don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. Keith, geez, guys. Thank you, man. I have an Excel sheet ready with the sign up times for each minute from 3 to 4. Folks can just reach out to me and tell me what time slot you want and how many shares you will buy. This will secure the squeeze. Keith, you're funny, buddy. I like it. I like it. Joyce, thank you so much for becoming a member of the channel. I really appreciate that. Yeah, shout out to all the members. You guys are awesome, but you guys don't have to do any of that if you don't want to. But if you do, like, it helps, but you don't have to if you don't want to. That's not really why I'm here right now. Get the charts up. Oh, Amy with a little candle here. I like it. I like it. I like it. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. You owe them a date? I definitely do. 19 is 2 away from 21. That is correct. Let's see. 30 minutes for... Stop it. use them supers to buy at 330. Well, that won't come in until the February. So that's going to be hard. Tim, thank you for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Let's see. Bought the $18 call at 8 cents this morning and sold for a 400% gain. Jeez, dude, you crushed it. Oh boy, we are approaching a record stream. This would be pretty cool. On Amy, one of a crazy TLT selling off a little bit here. Amy, get a candle here. GME, 109.59. Looking for that 110 pop. Spy move. Spy just kind of consolidating over here. Let's see what we're gonna get over here. Anyone else hungry? Oh, those super ankles. No, stop it with the ankles. You cannot solicit ankle pictures from me. That is not how any of this works. Let's see. All right. 10 minutes till power hour. Oh, baby. We got 10 minutes till power hour, people. Amy's up 4 cents, like 7.17%. GME is up 6.83%. Not too bad over here, huh? Not too bad, huh? Crushing it on all angles. We're hitting them from all angles over here. Spy, a little bit of a red candle here. Nothing too crazy. TLT on a move down here. Hold your horses. Is this candle going to shoot up green over here? That would be pretty sweet. Lee says A. What's the A for? All right, people. Let's see. All right. Yeah. So if you guys don't mind hitting the like button, that's all I ask. Just if you guys want to help out, it's free. You guys don't have to send supers in if you don't want. But Michael, thanks for the super, buddy. Let me see them ankles. I bet they are birdie. Stop, bro. Do a wrench doing loot. I can't do that. It'd be like, woo, it like wouldn't work. It would be a tough one. All right. Amy's still above 18 right now, selling down a little bit below the 50. Let's see here. TLT just kind of flickering around. GME coming down a little bit here. Leo, thanks for the super, buddy. Just because I can, I hold for my little girl, Aaliyah. Leo, atta boy. There we go. 60,000 contracts from where is it? 60,000 contracts from 20 to 23. Thomas, stop it, bro. That was Thomas. Thank you for the super, buddy. You guys don't have to do that if you don't want to, but Thomas, geez, dude, that was huge. No SCV, I had to. Really, could you explain Max Payne? It's the most amount of contracts expiring worthless. Thomas, you've asked this every single day. And I know you know it right now, and you're just messing with me. I get it. You're just completely messing with me. It's the price where the most amount of calls and puts expire worthless, out of the money. Let's see. Oh, good work, Thomas. Let's see. Come on, Amy. Come on, Amy. Spy down, GME kind of hanging around here. Thomas, thank you for that, though. I really appreciate that, man. Use the super for the stonk. I will do that. Yeah, but can you explain 21? All right, guys. All right. Here we go. Let's see. All right. Amy flat right now. GME 109.55. Mason, thanks for the super. Oh, God. So this was one of the main reasons of the phrase bigwigs, the rich and powerful of the government messing with the wrong. Jeez. Maybe that's what they were talking about in my history class. Oh, my God. You know what I think we just did, too? I think we just hit an all-time high on the stream. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Vegas. Yeah, Vegas, 100%. I agree, buddy. What's up? How you doing? Platos SUV buys hood with his supers. The thing that I would buy on hood with my supers is puts. Can you explain Mandy? Nah, I don't. I can't even accept. Mandy is just confusing. All right, Amy trying to pop back up into the green here. We have 7 minutes until power hour, everybody. Here we go. Whew, here we go. Oh, my wife's boyfriend is called Max Payne. At least that's what she. Oh, you guys are funny today. You guys are funny. All right. At least everyone's in a good mood. Let's get this. Let's get it up. That came out wrong. I apologize. The stock, let's get it higher than what we're currently trading at. Not that other nonsense that you guys definitely would talk about. Michael, thanks for a super. Do a Matt impression and never talk about AMC. That's not very nice, Michael. No other creator hate in here, please. Let's see. Flip. Jeez, guys, you guys are going wild. Moon Ape. Oh my God. I don't even know how to do this. Okay. Flip. Thank you so much for the super. Moon Ape here. Glad you went to class. Thank you. I appreciate that. Dustin for some squirrel food. Thank you, guys. Hold on. I'm trying to read the actual questions too. Let's see. Everybody watching, for you to say buy AMC, not financial advice. I'm not going to say it. Like blue pill up, boys. Oh, hold on. What was this? She's poking her head out right here. She wants to start moving up. Amy wants to start getting up there. Let's see. Jesus. Lee. Man, thank you so much for that, Lee. I really, really appreciate that, man. You guys don't have to do that if you don't want to, but Lee, that is super generous of you. Why not? Thanks, buddy. I really appreciate that. You do not have to do that if you don't want to, though, guys. Thank you, though. 18-15 on Amy. Jeez, man. Where's Keenan at? Oh, man, that would be wild. Jesus. Man, Lee, that is crazy, dude. Thank you, man. I will definitely be buying some more Amy with that. Dan says, happy birthday, AMC. Appreciate that, buddy. We'll buy for you, STV. No, I can buy. I bought a little bit more today. I'm not really all that jazzed about this coordinated stuff. But we do have 5 minutes until power hour. So here we go, everybody. Yeah. Anyone gonna beat the 200 now? No, you guys don't have to do that, man. STV, we need ankles for the Moas. That would be insane. Is this collusion of supers? DraftKings puts TLT with a candle, AMC with a candle up here. GME, come on. We're going to need GME looks like it wants to test the 50 before it wants to move back up. Spy's just kind of hanging out here. 18-16 on Amy right now. Brian, thanks for the super. Tell Trey he should run charity side of the apes. Okay. Keep it up, home says B Gabo. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Not a hedge fund. Thanks to the super buddy. Here's to Lou. All right. What we need right now is AMC to get to Don Julio 1942. That's what we need. 1942. Let's see. Lou for president. Apes use lit exchange. Yep. Make sure you guys are buying lit. If you don't want your order to get internalized by the market maker, consider buying on a lit exchange with no dark pool nonsense. Let's see. 1942 rhymes with Lou. We just can't escape. Come on. Nicole, thanks for the super. We put you up on the TV every weekday at 2 p.m. My twin's 6 months old, like your soothing voice. I didn't even know I had 6 months old on here. I'm really apologizing for cursing all the time. Or maybe it's a little squiggly lines. Either way, thank you, Nicole. Thank you. I appreciate that. Whew. All right. Come on, Amy. Do your thing. Do your TLT. What nonsense. Oh, Spy coming down off this little TLT pop. So the bonds are moving over here. Vix wants us all to get lit. Yeah. Let's see. Market tanking. Amy with a red candle off of this TLT move. Spy with a red candle. Hood. Are you gonna behave? Hood? Down girl. Yeah, sort of right here. Jimmy with a candle. Unbreakable dad. Thank you so much for the super. Humble, proud owner of AMC shares. Me and my family just love the stock. Thanks for the entertainment. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Hood, get down. I just want Hood to tank regardless. Like, even if my puts don't hit crazily. Vic says, turn me up, Vix. What's up? All right. We going to get excited? Are we going to get really pumped at what's about to come right now? Is that what's going on? All right. Hood selling off. I want a new all-time low on Hood. The 52-week low is 1278. We hit that today. But I also want AMC to rip. So we need to steal Hood's green candles and bring them over here. That's what we need. Also, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, just helps out with the algorithm. But you guys have shown so much support already. You guys don't have to do anything else. You guys are wild. Shorts are starting. The whole market is starting to come down. So watch it here. We have 2 minutes until power hour, everybody. Let's see what happens. Tonight, we dine in hell. That's kind of wild. This is tantric. Let's see. Jesus, dude. Max Headroom, thank you for the super, buddy. You don't have to do that, man. Have a great weekend. You guys are sending in giant supers, man. You guys don't have to do that if you don't want to. Dude, thank you so much, though, man. That really goes a long way. Thank you. Just made me a drink. Let's see here. Spy coming down here. Hood coming down. Amy kind of holding up nicely, though. Keith, Jesus, dude. You support enough already, man. Thank you. Securities Felony Squad Assemble STV. Your captain summons you to battle. You deserve this super. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. 30 more minutes until like the half hour mark. Let's see. Venmo me a McChicken, please. I could do that, but then you would see my name and that would be strange. You guys know what my name is though. Jack. All right. Bet you didn't know who Max Headroom is. I didn't know who Max Headroom is. Who is Max Headroom? Let's see here. All right, Amy trying to pop up a little bit here. SPY's selling pretty hard. Damn it, these the SPY puts I had this morning would have printed again. This is crazy. This is crazy. All right, Amy, kind of holding on here. Hood is tanking right now. Well, sort of, but if SPY's gonna do this, Hood go down to like 12. That's what I want out of you. Amy coming down to the 100 here. I don't know. Let's see if the buyers are gonna be able to step back in and bust this thing up here and really please use the supers for power hour. I mean, I could make another deposit, but I already made like I already made a $1,500 deposit today. Let's see. Well, this isn't looking good for the market, but Amy can just disjoint like it was doing before. Hood selling off a little bit here. Let's see. So SPY just made a new day low. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, it's popping up here. So watch. We need SPY to really not signal like, oh shoot, crap, like big move down on this 200 MA. Because if you look back, we were going over this morning. The SPY didn't touch this on all of 2021. The last time that it touched was June of 2020. When it does that, it typically rips back up. Then in March, it came through it. And then this is, I don't know why it's not updating here. Here it is. So this is, wait, no, that's not it. This is the 2018 Fed like interest rate nonsense and like taper tantrum and all sorts of stuff like that, like the repo crisis and all sorts of that stuff. So in order to see like, we got to get a little bit of support, we need to get a little bit of action here and bot back up. Unless we're going to have this little bit of boxes support too, but that's at 435. And then the low of this is 425. So that's going to get a little bit gnarly in the whole market. So it's popping up a little bit here. Amy, come on. We're going to need more out of you, huh? 30 minutes and then boom, look up max headroom. I've never heard of it, but that's pretty cool. I will look up that up. What is happening? The bonds are freaking out. Hood's popping back up. SPY's popping back up here. Amy, get a candle, huh? All right. GME is still up 4.5%. Amy's down a half a percent, getting a little bit of a candle here. Rejected at the 50, kind of bending to the downside. I want TLT back up here for a little bit. And then if Hood starts to tank, holy shit, look at this. TLT is really getting jumpy here. That's pretty gnarly. Whoa, we definitely hit a record on the stream today. Thank you guys. I really appreciate that. AMC, LFG, M Kriegs. What's up, man? How you doing? All right, TLT still pushing here. SPY, watch out below. This could get a little gnarly. Twan Dubose, thank you for the super. I think BlackRock is hiding short interest by the shares and lending them out to be shorted. Citadel may be paying to cover there. What do I think? So the thing is that everybody likes to talk about like all these institutions lending the shares. But if we were to see that right here in the institutions were actually lending the shares, we would have to see. Okay, so hold on. We're going to go over this really, really quickly. We'll have AMC's price right here on the top right so you guys can see it. The market's kind of freaking out. This is what we need to see. Shares on loan. Where is it? Free float on loan. Yeah, right here. So the last time right now, percentage of the free float on loan, 21%. We've seen it much higher in the past. So wait, no, I want shares on loan. Where is that? On loan. This is the number that I want. So these are the numbers right here. So if you wanted to see, if you thought that these institutions were buying shares and lending them out, you would expect this number to skyrocket from all of this time, and it hasn't. So what they're doing is buying shares, saying that they're going to lend them out, and then they're just not. So when they say they're going to lend out shares and they're not, well, it decreases utilization like we're seeing here and decreases cost to borrow, but we're also seeing the same short interest. So that's what we're seeing over there on the institutions. All right, TLT moving down a little bit here. Let's see, SPY also coming down. All right, we are in power hour, people. We got 57 minutes left in the market today. Here we go. All right, here we go. AMC to the moon. There we go. Come on, people. Here we go. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a boom boom here. Even with the market selling off, Amy can disjoint from it and start to rip. So let's see what happens. 1785 right now on AMC. Let's see if the buyers are going to be able to counteract the sellers. I don't know if they're going to be able to, but who knows? Why does YouTube say one watching right now? It said that for me too. That's the problem that I was having yesterday. I was like, hold on, what's going on? It's kind of weird. So I don't know what's going on with it. It's kind of freaking out. But Amy, trying to get a little bit of volume here. Let's see what happens. So TLT settling in here. 1 viewer, huh? Wow. Yeah. With all you guys popping in here, it's pretty wild. Let's see. Refresh. Yeah. And again, guys, if you don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, just helps out the algorithm a whole lot, especially with this nonsense where it's saying that I have 1 viewer, which is kind of crazy. Hood below 13. I want it below like way lower than that. My portfolio is wrecked. My toilet won't flush. I am screwed. I'm the only viewer right now. Technically, that would be me, wouldn't it? Because oh, wait, no, I'm in the studio. This is our stock. Yup. One watching aka Lou. You guys are funny. All right. TLT, stop it. All right. Spy is selling right now. Let's see. What's Hood looking like? Wow, 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 wow. Spy. On Hood. You're not going to pay me on these puts? Come on. Yeah, Spy is tanking. Now it says 2 watching for me, which is kind of nonsense. Not going to lie. Oh, there it goes. Now it's back. That super didn't show up. I have to click on it. There was another super that came in that I missed. Hold on. Now, the last one I see is Twan DeBose. Yeah, YouTube. Oh, YouTube's really glitching out right now. Oh boy. Yeah, the only way to it's the same thing with the stock. The only way to counteract it is just engage. You guys have already shown so much support. If it gets screwed up today, it gets screwed up today. It's not the end of the world. You guys have already gone crazy all today. Thank you guys so much for all the support you guys have been showing me recently. It means a whole lot. So thank you. Let's see. Looks like another sour hour session. Hold on, man. Yeah, now 1. This is crazy. All right. Hood $12.99 right now. Spy still selling pretty hard right now. So 439.47. That's not really what we want to see out of the market going into power hour. Let's see. You are not very popular. Thanks, Marcus. All right. Amy, 17.79 right now. Come on. Hood, if you're going to do this nonsense, I need you to sell harder. We need this freaking 21. Plans for the weekend or just chilling? Just chilling, man. I have so much homework to do. Ooh, little pop here on Amy out of nowhere, huh? Interesting. Hold on. I wonder what that is. If Fintel did YouTube view, that's funny. Max Payne is are my 145 calls gone? AM7? Yeah, they're screwed. Let's see. All right. Spy selling hard here. Let's see if Hood's going to get some of this. Spy is really coming down here. Ooh. I had the 439s this morning. This is nonsense. SCV, let's go to the bar. Do you want to go to the bar? I'll go to the bar. Fine. I have so much homework to do, though, because I spend all week doing this, and then I don't do any school. What? Hold on. This price isn't moving for Amy right now. 1785. Spies is moving. 1785 for AMC right now. Nothing's moving, though. You go to 86. There it is. All right. Oh, Spy. Oh, boy, Spy. The VIX is at 28.30. Jesus. Halted already? No, not yet. All right. 8 minutes into power hour, people. Let's see. So, what's homework? I guess so, man. They're trying to break up AMC, but we're going to turn it on them. Spread the word across the board. Billy Graham style. There you go. DWAC dumping. Everything's dumping. Here comes Robin Hood now coming down hard. So they're selling Hood right now. Let's see how far it's going to go. This thing could get gnarly. First to cover, covers the least. Yep. It's like musical chairs, sort of. There might be a better game to. It's like tag, kind of. I think that's kind of how it is. SB loves pineapples. Pineapples are good. VIX calls healthy. There you go, buddy. We're put twinning. Yeah, I have Hood puts. Yeah, Spy's not looking good here. Avocado, where you at, buddy? I was the only one watching for a second there. Yeah. How many calls got out of the money? A boatload. Crypto dumping, everything dumping. Hold on, let's do this. I can't believe it's going to come down to this level, man. This is insane. Amy fighting up here. Amy's fighting pretty good. GME still up 3% right now, up $3. Still looking good off after that previous run. Let's see. Spy going to the 300s. I mean, that would be dirty if it did. 50,000 went out of the money. Goldman Sachs puts printing. Interesting. With if banks are coming down, what the hell is Hood doing with a green candle? Oh, because the SPY's coming up. Amy, let's get back above 18 here. 73 and 40%, 43% of my IWM puts. Avocado, dude, you are crushing it, my man. Let's see. Soon, edgy, soon. There comes the SPY. Robinhood could all of a sudden just go like today. It just went boom right down. So that could be what we're waiting for over here on Hood for the buyers to just fall out of it. AMC right now, 1776. Isn't that like the Constitution? Like the year that guys, sometimes I don't know things. I'm sorry, even though things I should know. I know things that I probably shouldn't know, but I don't know things that I probably should know sometimes. 1776. That was independence year. That was like when the United States was founded, I believe. I think. Right? All right. Sorry. All right. SPY coming down, man. Amy might bounce off the 200. We're at 1773. GME 105.55. Here we go. Pretty iconic. Yeah. You have 1,776 shares. That's pretty cool. Declaration of Independence. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, cool. That's what it was. All right. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. SPY trying to get up a little bit here. Who needs history class? Oh, shoot. You guys are going to make me go to history class now, aren't you? 1776 again. All right. Check the price ladder on AMC. Lots of, like the level 2. I'd have to log in on this to do it, but I want Hood down. What time frame do I use in the EMA? Well, it depends. If I'm swing trading it, I'll use the 4-hour with 1348. But other than that, I mean, you can use it on the 5-minute. The 5-minute definitely caught this SPY move. Like, unless it, let me look. Here it is. Where's the Jesus SPY? You don't need to do this. It's like talking him off a freaking ledge right now. Jeez, it's like you don't need to go this far. All right, so the 1348 on the 5-minute crossed on SPY at 12:05. If you played it here and just held it till the end of the day, the SPY was at 444. That's a $6 move. Jeez, that is huge. So 1348 looking pretty good on the SPY so far. That's a nasty strategy. Nasty. So Amy popping up a little bit off of the 100. Bro. Lee, dude, you do not have to do that, dude. Jesus. Lee, man. You guys don't have to do that. Everybody, oh, man, Lee, dude, that was huge. Screw school. Super chat wars are cooler. I apologize. I reached my limit on the other account, dude. Lee, that is huge, man. Thank you so much. You do not have to do that, buddy. Man, thank you. That was insane, dude. That is wild. All right. AMC bouncing off of the 200 right here. 1774. SPY is just kind of hanging out right here. That is crazy. Dude, that was insane. You guys don't have to do that. Gee, OnlyFans money. Jeez. Man, you guys are super generous. Now, honestly, like, guys, if you want to, like, come on, we got to, like, I know these people who are sending them in probably have a lot of disposable income to do this with, but, like, we do need the buying pressure, not at this, like, nonsense, like this type of stuff, like the collusion buying, but, like, in general, we do need a lot of buying pressure. Like, that is insane, dude. Whoa. Jeez, man. Where's Lou? I don't know, man. Oh, Diva. All right, let's see. How low can Netflix go? They're playing hula hoop on that thing over here. Hood kind of coming up a little bit to 13. SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move here. We got 15 minutes until the last 30 minutes. AMC is just kind of bouncing around the 200 right now. You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. C-Sams, thanks to Super Buddy. Told you they would crush us. They never let this run, and they knew it since a week because everyone said buy in the last hour. Won't work. I'm kind of on the same page with that. It's it's just there's not enough time for it to really work. Because if it does rip, you just get halted, and then it comes back on, then you do it again, then it gets halted, and it's like it's a very risky thing to be doing. Mason, thanks for super buddy. You think Hood will just tank and rip like crazy? It could. It could. Oh, Amy trying to get up a little bit here. Come on now. Come on now. Buy at least one share. I bought earlier today. I bought like I think I bought the dip like $500. I think it was. I think that's what I put it back into it. That was earlier this morning when it was at like I think it was at 1760 is where I bought that last block. Is Lee your brother? Lee is not my brother. I mean, he is now. Like, Jesus, Lee. That's crazy, man. Thank you. I appreciate that. 5 more minutes until 3:20. Looking at the candles, doesn't look like there's very much buying pressure. It doesn't. It was coming back over here. We did see a lot of buying pressure here, but GME was kind of leading the way with this. GME is now down to 105.73. We got Amy at 1780 right now, a little bit above Declaration of Independence. We are currently right around the Declaration of Independence, and we need to get to Don Julio 1942. That's what I want to see. Because you're worth it. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Don't turn on us. Never. Vix, you seem to be a humble, deserving person. CIA, I appreciate that, man. Lee, honorary mod for life. Lee wants to see the ankles. Lee, I'm sorry. There is no price except for $20 on AMC that you would be able to get to see my ankles. Let's see. Yeah, this was crazy, guys. You guys are wild. So we're right around Independent or Declaration of Independence, and I want to see us to Don Julio. All right, so we're getting a little MACD cross here. Spy's trying to make a little bit of a move up here. Hood's coming up. I think Hood's going to have some downside next week too. So let's see what happens with it. But GME popping back up a little tiny bit here, but let's see. Oh, Millie, that was aggressive. That was aggressive. Let's see. Oh, wait. TMI, come back. Oh, wait. Is he back? Oh, hold on. Maybe that's just my stream glitching. I think we're going to get TMI on in a little bit too. Uh-oh. Hold on. Here it comes. Here comes some buying pressure. We're back above 18 here, people. Very interesting. Lee just brought your Kroger sushi for a whole year. I've actually never been to Kroger. Let's see. BBIG just can't get any positive momentum today. Nah, it's going to take a while. They're probably going to need Cryptide News to start getting back up there. So Spy's moving back up to the 50. Watch out, though, because what we've seen typically in the past, it'll have some resistance at this level and then come down and make a new low if it cannot get the buyers to come up. Amy's popping up a little bit here. We got 1804 right now. Let's see. Colton, thanks for the super buddy. 4K on BBIG puts this week. Freaking boy, dude, you are crushing it with the puts on the Hood and freaking BBIG, man. Next week, we return to the Hood puts. Have a great weekend, brother. Buddy, I might hop in with you on some of those weekly Hood puts. Big candle on ATER. To the upside or the downside? Oh, candle up. Hold on. What's BBBY doing? That's Best Buy. I want Bed Bath and Beyond, your lady's favorite store. Actually, no, that would be like Bath and Body Works or like Starbucks. All right, here we go. GME curling back up a little bit here. AMC, LFG, here we go. SCV, why didn't you text me when GME was low 90s? My call. I don't know, buddy. GME, was it low 90s today? How low did it go? I thought it was like 96, 92. Oh my God. Let's see. Lee must be buying. Yeah, enough of Lou by itself. Lee's buying. Lee, seriously, man, thank you so much for that, man, today. You didn't have to do that. That was super generous. All right, Amy's flickering red-green right now. Let's see. Where do you shop? I don't really. I order some things on like Amazon Prime sometimes. Like I wanted these like linen pants that were going to be like sweatpants that would be really comfortable. They were like $25 and I wanted them. Then I thought I ordered them and then they just never came. It was really annoying. Let's see. What's the volume? It's 55 million in volume right now. Matt, it's curling right here. Oh, GME just got a little candle here. 107.83. SPY rejected right off this 50 right here. Let's see if it comes back down. 11 minutes to rip. I don't know, man. Who's buying Bitcoin too? You guys are funny. If we get another big giant candle, I'll do the noise again. 10 more AMC via IEX lit exchange. Ho, there you go. Let's see. You're about to buy 100K of calls on TQQQ? Jesus. If AMC has 20 today, post pics of your ankles? Nah, you'll just see them. I'll throw them up. 55 shares on the way. EM. Nice. All right. Coming back down to test this level here. GME. Is it going to lead the way? SPY rejected here. It needs a little bit more volume here coming, or buying pressure coming back up. Let's see. You've bought on the New York Stock Exchange directly. Water bottle. Good job. Good job, man. Bought 3.5 more added to my XXXX position. Like bringing a water pistol to the trenches, but it's all I can do for now. Tommy Lee, anything helps, man. Lou was last seen riding the bull outside the New York side. That's funny. Francisco, thanks for the super. Next week will be the anniversary of the movement. I have a good feeling about it. Also, can you check Ortex on Ride? Yeah, I'll do that really quickly for you. Let's just do a refresh on Amy's Ortex right here. They've got 5.17 million shares returned, 1.1 million borrowed. So nothing too crazy over there. What's going on with Ride? Lordstown Motors. All right. So 21.82% estimated short interest, 1.6 average cost to borrow, utilization 82%. So decent over there. Generation 8, thanks for the super. Just exercise 3 contracts at 15. Oh, guess what you're making the market maker do? Take a loss, because they had to buy the shares just now, 300 shares at 17.87 if they didn't hedge them, and sell them to you at 15. So it's almost a $3 loss per share for them. It's like a nice little FU to the market maker when you exercise, especially if they went from out of the money to in the money. If you've been holding those for a while, that's pretty sick. You aware that your live stream is lagging by 8 minutes? It shouldn't be. Maybe you're just behind. Gasparino bashing AMC on Fox Business, saying accepting crypto is best you can do. Really? Having your wife have a business and bashing it on all your basically every show you have is the best you can do? Really? That's what I have to say to that. Let's see. 8 minutes. Live is good. There we go. All right. Oh, little pop here. Amy trying to get back into the green here. I mean, it's showing some life over here. Let's see if Jimmy starts to get going. Let's see. Just bought 100 shares of AMC. There you go. No lag. Awesome. It's up to speed. They need to fast forward. Yeah. Volume ramp up. It's Lou. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. Oh, man. Yeah, if you guys don't mind also just hitting that like button on the stream, it just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. So if you guys want to help support, thank you guys so much. But you guys have already gone crazy today. You don't have to. Let's see. Stream is not played. There we go. Nobody's talking about my little Gasparino comment. That was a good one, I thought. I thought that was a pretty good one. Let's see. 1792. SPY, not really doing a whole lot. We're not seeing a lot of movement right here. We've got about 37 minutes until the close too. So let's see what happens. His lawyer can swallow also. Yeah. Almost 4K viewer. Holy that's so many people. All right, Amy, get up there. Oh, back above 18. Here we go. The VIX is at 29.27. Jesus, so when it starts to get up to those levels, it's like lots of fear in the market. Like the VIX is the fear index. That's what they call it. So there's a lot of fear out in the market right now where it's like, oh shoot, like, what's going on? That is like really, really causing a lot of these market moves, especially like when we see the market start to go up and it's having all right, then it just gets knocked down. That is people worried that they're not going to be able to get out of their position. You see it come up and you're like, all right, it's up, take it. And then they just sell it off. But that's like the algos too going wild. Kramer said the market is finding a bottom by puts. Yeah, man. Why do you keep calling my name? I'm ready to take off. Amy N, what's up? Why are you still going to college? You know so much already. Mainly because my parents would kill me. What earnings plays are you looking at for next week? I gotta look at that. I gotta look at that. So it's a good time to short the VIX. Honestly, not yet. I would say not yet, because we have that Fed meeting next week that's gonna really kind of mess with things. So we gotta watch out a little tiny bit. Let's see. It's nearly time for late night view with Short the Loop. Stop. All right, come on, people. All right, we got 6 minutes until 30 minutes left. We got about 20 or 36 minutes left in the market. Let's see. SPY's looking all right. Again, guys, what you have to think about here is that there's also $3 trillion of options expiring today. The last 30 minutes could just be super volatile, just like up, down, just people hedging, getting in and out of positions, or even reestablishing themselves in other positions. Because here's the thing, if you're going to have to roll over some of these positions and you need to buy a boatload of options, well, the market maker has to sell it to you and then immediately they're going to hedge it. So if people are going to start buying like wild calls on the SPY or puts on the SPY or something crazy going on, well, you're going to see those contracts go through. Like Unusual Whales right now is probably going crazy with stuff coming out. Like there's probably so many prints coming in because this expiration is big across the board. SPY, QQQ, NASDAQ, everything is expiring today because it's just a leap expiration. It's crazy. Cup and handle on Amy. Hold on. Little bit right here. All right, here we go. Colton, thanks for the super buddy. So if Kramer is saying buy puts, then Monday we load the boat with calls. No. He said the market is finding a bottom, I think. So that's what somebody said. So it could be ready to start trending up. Honestly, I don't think so. So we're in the video. Oops, hold on. In the video last night, I was talking about this 200 MA that is like held up pretty well. It hasn't touched it in all of 2021. Now it's coming down even to this level right here. And we haven't been this low since October of 2021. And this is 431. Now, yeah, it is a little bit of a like basically the same level that we've seen. But if we fall down into this range or through this, like we wouldn't have seen these levels since like, what is this right here? The May of 2020, like these levels could get interesting. And we could be in for some, unless the buyers start to step back in ahead of the Fed meeting, and the Fed knows this. So it could get a little bit wild. They could just be like, oh, like we cannot let the market tank like this. 4,000 people are watching right now. That is insane. Thank you guys. Generation Ape, thank you so much for the super. Fingers crossed, 5 at 18, about to go in the money next week. I will exercise 2 or 3 of them, keep the pressure and FU vibe going. Woo! Atta boy. My neighbors right now are probably like, what the heck is going on next door? But we got 4,000 people watching. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome, huh? Whew. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got on the news feed. NASDAQ on track for the worst. Oh my God, listen to this. The NASDAQ is on track for the worst month since October of 2008. That's insane. All right, let's see. We got 33 minutes left in the market today. Can you explain the massive volume candle yet no price? What massive volume candle? I don't see one. All of them are pretty normal over here, unless it's like on something else. Let's see. AMC, get rich or die buying. Hey, man. How low can Netflix go? Let's see. The market has been running for the past 6 months, though, so it's fine. I don't know, man. It's going to get, it could get a little gnarly. Just if you go down, so the 200 MA is going to be a level, and then that next box level is going to be important. If we come down into there, I would probably buy calls to have a significant bounce out of that. And then if I'd be playing them quick though. And if it rejects out of there and starts to come down again, it's like, all right, but now it's time to really look to the downside. Let's see. Last chance. We need volume in AMC like right now to make this happen. Well, no, guys, the thing is that even if it does get above 20 or like 18, 19, it's not enough for it to really like affect the options chain of the market maker. And everything that I've been saying, hopefully you guys have been listening, like you got to get above. So max pain right now, I believe is still at 22. So you would need it at 23, 24, 25 to get outside of the range of the market maker to really screw with them and make them hedge. Because I don't really, unless the way that they'd be hedging right now is short. They would be shorting a lot of shares in order to hedge the puts running in the money. Let's see. SV from another college student. I just want to thank you for your passion and enthusiasm in teaching the world about the market. 24 high five. I appreciate that, my man. Buy on Public. Yeah, Public, I believe, goes lit. And then Fidelity, E-Trade, and TD, I believe you can go to a lit exchange too. So let's see. SPY's trying to pop up a little bit here. GME's trying to go a little bit as well. Let's see here. We got 31 minutes until close, everybody. Movies are the vibe. There you go. On Stock Tracker, shares available. It doesn't change then who are selling. I don't know what you mean by that. Like shares available on Stonko Tracker, like that's just on one broker, I think. Like your energy. Thank you, Andy. I appreciate that. Let's see. Jeez, I'm gonna have to go slow mode at some point. This is crazy. Hold on. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go on slow mode. I want to be able to read your messages. Let's see. Slow mode, 60 seconds too much. I'll go 10 seconds. We're going to put it on slow mode because there's so many people talking. I want to see your messages. So I'm going to put it on 10-second slow mode right here just to see. So, oh, shoot. Jared, thanks for the super. Did my part. Bought 11 shares. Apes together strong. There you go, buddy. So I don't know if that's going to make a whole lot of a difference, but the chat's flying. And I just want to make sure I can read your messages. Eric, you got timed out. Oh, that stinks. Just bought 150 more. There you go. Whoa, look at this candle right here. Jeez. RG, thank you so much for the super. Just because you deserve it. Love your streams going every day. Like my Amy position. There you go, RG. Guys, right at 3:30, AMC gets a freaking candle. That's kind of nonsense. Huge up candle. All right. Thumbs up. This guy, yeah, thank you, Ed. I appreciate that. Yeah, guys, sorry for the slow mode. I just want to be able to see your messages. 100 shares your spot. There you go. Let's see what happens with Amy here. This volume candle right here is 447,000. It is not really unlike anything that we have not seen before. So let's see. We are up 10 cents. GME's not really coming up as much as Amy. 18, 18, 17 on Amy right now. Let's see. Let's see. You just bought 55. There you go. There you go. All right. Last 30 minutes, people. We got 29 minutes left. I mean, let's see. I panic bought. There you go. So much Lou hate. Nobody's hating on Lou. All right. Let's see what happens with Amy here. Bed Bath & Beyond popping a little bit here. GME getting zero action over here on this move. Let's see. I did not make you buy anything. All right, here we go. All right, Amy getting another little candle here. Let's see. 1826 right now. Let's see what happens. Just purchased 740 shares. There you go. All your buys in the dark pool, unless you're ordering to a lit exchange, yeah, they're going to go. That's where they will end up. And again, guys, this whole thing is like retail probably doesn't have enough money to mess with it like that. Let's see. Yeah. Also, if you guys don't mind, just hitting that like button on the stream just helps out with the algorithm a whole lot. So thank you guys so much for all the support you guys have been showing me. It really means a whole lot. This is crazy. I never thought I'd be talking in front of 4,000 people. This is wild. Let's see. Amy right now is at 1825. Nothing really going on here. I mean, I don't want to say as predicted, but I mean, we have 27 minutes left. Here we go. BBIG, what's happening? Is it doing something? Nah, it's bouncing up a little bit here. I mean, the SPY it's trying to do these 50 tests. Again, make a new low after that test. Let's see what happens here with Amy. Let's see. We're killing Wall Street. Not right now. Boom. Not coming down. The buyers are not really outweighing the sellers right now on AMC. So there it is. Hold on. We still got 33 minutes or 27 minutes left, people. The overall buyers and institutions could come in and start getting Amy to run. But again, guys, the one thing that I want everybody to keep in mind is when you're thinking about like what price we need in order for it to make a significant difference, I've heard 20 floating around there. And when you look right now at 20, there's 34,000 puts. All right. That's about 1.5 million shares that we need to get bought. And then again here, that's about 1.5 million shares. It wouldn't really, it's like 3 million shares. So yeah, it could make a little bit of a difference coming off the bat, but overall, it wouldn't really change a whole lot. We would need to get well above max pain, which is sitting at $22 right now. But does this change anything? Absolutely not. 20 is better than 18. Very true. I would like to see us trend up there. I'm happy with my 55 shares, says Christopher. There you go, buddy. Bought 1,900 yesterday on IEX. Mark, boy, 1,100 more today on not lit exchanges as I'm on my way to Fort Lauderdale. Calling all YouTubers to connect to this channel. Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate that. Another red week. Yeah, let's see. Well, the SPY right now is just kind of hanging out at the lows. Honestly, not seeing volatility into close right now on the SPY is surprising to me because of all of those options that are like there has to be somebody doing something that is exposed somewhere. Maybe we were seeing them already handle this a couple of days ago. Let's see. Brian, I made $7,000 on my 460 Netflix put and bought more AMC. Dude, I was wondering if anybody got those Netflix puts. Brian, atta boy. Just bought 100. There you go. Is this the channel for ankles? Yes, that's what this is. All right, Amy's trending up here. GME's trending up. SPY is coming up a little bit here, but nothing out of the ordinary in terms of the volume candles. So right here, we're not really seeing any crazy volume coming in. Let's see here. Yeah, let's see. If you're ever going to show an ankle in support, now's the time. No, we have to get to a price to see ankles. It was 30, but I'm changing the rules for this week. Well, if we hit 20, I mean, we'll see ankles. Let's see. Ooh, hold on. Ooh, not yet. All right. Kind of wild. I just connected the dots, and the market is basically just a constant auction. Yeah. It's just buyers and sellers figuring out what price they want to buy at. SoFi? What's SoFi doing? I mean, the 216% puts on SoFi yesterday were so I was playing the $15 puts on SoFi yesterday, and I flipped them for like 216%. If I held them today, those would have been nasty. But all right, so SPY's rejecting off the 50 right now. Amy kind of hanging up in this little flag right here. GME coming down a little bit here. What's Hood looking like? Hood, nope. All right, let's see. STE, the new sheriff in town. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Reverse repo was like 1.7 trillion today. SB shares says happy birthday. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Just bought 10,000. Oh, that is huge, dude. Ape Nation in here, buy and hold. What's up, man? All right, let's see. No, this is not what we want. What were you looking at? What do you guys want on the top right? BBIG. I think that's what people were looking at. Biggie not doing a whole lot here. Amy's trying a little bit, but the volume's not really there for it. So the buyers and sellers are really going to need to come in full force if you want AMC to get up to those higher levels. Ooh, coming up a little bit right now. What's the SPY doing? Not a whole lot. 1824 on Amy right now. 58 million, almost 59 million in volume today. It is in the green. GME is up about 4.77%. AMC's at 1821 right now. Let's see. He didn't just drop 180 grand. I mean, I didn't just drop 180 grand. I don't have that. So let's see here. By far the best audio video YouTuber. John, I appreciate that, man. That is huge, dude. SCV, pause. Stop. All right. Okay. So let's check Ortex really quick and see what's going on. Little Ortex update. I can't really feel the vibe in the room if you guys hate Ortex or are kind of okay with Ortex, but like 71.47% utilization. Estimated short interest right now, 16.95%. We got a lot of return shares today, 1.14 million borrowed. And again, let's check GME really quickly because they've been really pumping the utilization and short interest on that thing right here. Let's see if they did anything towards close. 19.16% estimated net return of 125,000 shares, still low cost to borrow, but as utilization trends up, that is going to be dangerous for the market makers and the shorts, mainly the shorts. I didn't mean market maker, the shorts. If you guys are buying, how come AMC isn't going up? I mean, see, the thing that I was trying to explain was before this was happening was retail doesn't necessarily, when Discord, just wait. We got something cooking for you next week. Next week, we have a little bit of an announcement for everybody. So make sure you guys stay tuned. There's going to be something special happening Sunday night. So It is Friday right now. Just stay tuned for a little announcement for something coming on Sunday. I think you guys are going to like it. It's something you probably haven't seen before in like the entire stuff. So hopefully you like it. It should be pretty cool. I'm giving you hints. I will not give you a hint. It has to do with a number. Liquid IV discount. Oh, we're going to get that. STV's cooking something. Nah, you probably don't want that. I cook very basic things. No, it's not liquid IV. It's not liquid IV. Trey's mustache, sort of. All right, Amy popping up a little bit. So going back to what we were talking about with this whole buy at the end of the day thing, retail in general is probably not going to have enough money to put enough buying volume into a stock to do this. They just don't. But what I was trying to explain to people is you either need to get the price above the max pain, like well above max pain. And I was taking a lot of heat for this. People were getting angry at me for this. And I was like, I don't know what to tell you. Like, I'm trying to explain like how this would work. So you either need the price to finish well above max pain for any significant difference, that range, or you need to move the range lower. So it's easier to finish above that range. Now, how do you move the range lower in terms of max pain? Well, Spy's getting a little action here. So buying in the money at the money calls would have brought the range lower. And I was trying to illustrate this to you guys about the how much, like that $160 $17 strike that you could have bought like Wednesday. And then it would have forced 1,300 of buying volume into the stock. So you can essentially force 8 times your money into the stock. So just think about that going forward on figuring out where you want to be buying some of your contracts. The 145 is kind of useless. But other than that, I mean, we just got to kind of do our thing, huh? All right. So Daniel, thank you so much for the super. MACD going up and price going down is something Jay Bravo talks about. Who's Jay Bravo? Let's see. Supposedly 4 million to everyone buys. The price should move. Yeah, but see, the thing is, like, we only have like 4,000 in here. Our reach is kind of like spread out. Spy's getting a nice little pop into the last 20 minutes. Whew, I've been talking a lot today. My voice is going to be shot. All right. So Amy, 1824 right now. It is up 1%. So it's slowly kind of stair-stepping its way up right now. Jimmy, 108.15, up 5.34%. Looking decent over there. We need 41 for Big Gamma. Well, see, the thing is it's kind of like you probably actually need it a little bit lower because if the price actually starts to run, you see a little bit of FOMO coming in terms of more option buying. So you get the range a little bit lower. Then you see some smaller shorts starting to cover. We would be buying, and then you would see the gamma pressure. So you actually need a little bit lower. There's like more danger zones like layered in. Oh boy, we got a little guest. I didn't even hear it, but I saw my screen freak out. So you know what that means? Bing, bang, boom. Your girl's boyfriend is here. TMI, what's up, buddy?
What is going on, motherfucker? The funny thing is, you're actually trending on Twitter right now.
Am I really?
As the #1 YouTube streamer in I'm playing.
I was like, what? I was like, what?
Like, yo, he's fucking going crazy right now. I'm like, I'm walking my dog. I'm coming. I'm coming.
I was like, let's go. Get on here. We're at 18. Dude, we're coming up a little bit. But like,
this
look
is
at this time right here.
ripping.
It's like 2:30. Look at this candle.
Okay, what are the I need to get recalibrated here. All right, people, let's get some freaking likes up in this bad boy. Let's get this thing short. Let's short squeeze the like button really quickly.
Dude, they did a super chat squeeze. I was like, guys, stop it.
We can do that too. We could do super chat squeeze. We could do less.
No. I see what you're doing. You're trying to get everybody to get mad at me.
Listen, there's good problems to have. There's bad problems to have. I think this would definitely be a good freaking problem to have. Let's go. Mind you, also AMC and GME are green. Everything else right now, shit the bed.
The good problem to have would be showing the ankles at 20. I moved it down just for today. Oh, now I only have one viewer. Thanks for telling me that, YouTube. YouTube's been so wonky today.
Only one person watching?
Yeah.
You know who that is.
Flickering back and forth. It's been doing this a couple of times. It did it yesterday too.
Yeah, today I said that I had one person watching, and I was like, look, whoever this intimate person is that's watching me right now, I just want to let you know that it's as special for me as it is for you.
Chio yesterday in the mod chat was like, if there was one person in the chat, would you still stream? And I was like, well, I'm not doing anything else. Like, yes, I would.
It's like, why would you change? Because that one is gonna eventually turn to 2.
Yeah, like when I started this day stream, I think I had like 300 or 400 people.
Uh-oh.
All right.
What is that? What's your top?
Oh, thanks for the super. I'll kick it off nice and low. Nope, stop it. You already did it. You don't have to do it again. Stop it. Buy the stock. I'm not giving financial advice, but if you're gonna put your money somewhere, Don't give it to me.
Only Mandy's watching. The funny thing is, I had Mandy's boyfriend as my title in this, and I changed it.
Oh, I remember that.
I
That was
changed it because I
funny.
had it saved, and I was just like, can't do that anymore. Can't do that
Yeah.
anymore. Did you
Amy
get that?
coming down.
Yeah. Listen, there's still enough time for it to squeeze to 21.
I think it would halt into close. I don't think there is enough time anymore. I think it would halt into close.
What is that? 10%. That's 15% in 15 minutes. Yeah, it's kind of close.
Yeah, I don't know if it would work. What's it? $3. So
They would love that, wouldn't they? Love that.
They would love that.
If
Just
they could
let
halt
it
it.
rip and then halt it.
20.99 halted into close. Oh,
Dude.
Twitter would go crazy.
Or $19.99 in the close. That would be bad. Come on, meat juice candles. There you go, dude. Imagine I want to get. So we were at Declaration of Independence, 1776 down here. We need to get to Don Julio, 1942 to break out.
What's that?
1942.
Oh, like the actual number?
Yeah.
Hey, we were at. We didn't quite get there. No, we were. We were at. What's it called? 1738.
Yeah, we hit that earlier too. We were at Fetty Wap. We were at Declaration of Independence and Don Julio.
There we go. There we go.
Meat juice, aka gravy. We need to be above 20. If you're finished above 20, nothing crazy is gonna happen.
Something crazy is gonna happen.
What?
Something crazy is gonna happen.
Yeah, like the SPY tanking right now.
No, ankles at 20.
Oh yeah, ankles at 20. Let's see. Can't match all these high roller supers, but please buy another share of a certain stock on me. Appreciate you, STV. Shout out to TMI as well. Hey. I did. TMI. People were asking me this one specific question. They were like, "When are you gonna make a Discord?" Like, I've been thinking about making a Discord for a while. You think I should do it?
Dude, you know what? You know what? I honestly, a quick question. Chat, do you guys think that STV should make a Discord?
Yeah. I did say that I did have something cooking for him coming out maybe this weekend at some point. I said I had something cooking.
How come you didn't tell? Can you tell me, please? Please?
No, I don't know. I think you know. I think you might be. I think you know.
Damn it! I always get left out in the dark.
So there's another hint. Everybody.
But hey, man, look, if y'all down to make some money, let us know.
Exactly. We're ready to go, everybody. This is gonna be fun. He'd have to drop out of school. Dude, nah. I'm gonna be not sleeping. This weekend is all schoolwork and like some videos, I think. I think I'll be able to do it, but
STV should make a karaoke Discord.
STV already has an OnlyFans, so let's see. What would happen at 21? Nothing crazy. Let's see. We're coming up a little bit here. 1830. Is there a cool 18 number, like something in the 18s? I mean, there's 1738, 1776, and then 1942. I don't think there's anything. 1801 is the new 801. Not really. There's no contracts at 18.
There's. Whoa, hey, yo.
What happened?
My guy.
What happened?
You'll see in the chat.
There's a lot of them. They've been saying some wild stuff. Yeah. I've fed into it a little bit just for fun. Like, you have to do it. It's just like, I was like, too soon. People were making some comments about a little not so fun thing that happened this week on Twitter, and people were making jokes, and I was like, too soon. And then, but some of them were like funny, and I was like, I can't laugh.
If it's funny, you can laugh, but I don't know who is. I don't even know the context. So I'm not gonna touch that too much.
Yeah.
Like, was it like?
Everybody knows.
Oh, it was that one.
Yeah.
Wow, that's too soon. Yeah, that's a bit early.
Yeah, a bit early. Hopefully we see those ankles and TMI's elbows. Why do you want to see TMI's elbows? Well, thanks for both of you and what you do for us. Apes, have a great weekend. Don't get too twisted. Dude, I might have to go out drinking tonight. Not tonight. Maybe tomorrow. I'm tired.
It's going down tonight.
It's going
down. Maybe you're right. Maybe it's tomorrow.
Never forget the roast us LNF stream with 200 people. Congrats to these two legends. Dude, when did we do that?
What?
Oh, the late night fix stream? I remember that. We got some OGs in here.
Oh, nice. Wait, it's a whoa. Yo, you guys are wild.
They really go crazy. I think I saw it. Dude, Frank, chill out, bro. It's funny because if I say Frank, nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know who I'm talking to, but oh geez, Biggie selling off. SPY. All right, Amy, good squeeze right now. Go. Apparently not. 1836 for Texas independence. Oh, Mason. Thank you for that.
1836 for Texas independence.
But like they're not independent though.
Oh, you might have just pissed off some people in chat.
Yeah, but they're not. They're a part of the United States.
Yeah. So how does that work? So I guess it would have to be 2022. You'd have to go up to 2022 now.
Yes.
At the earliest.
2022 would be sweet. I'd be down for 2022.
1964 is my birth year. Papa Mac. There you go.
We could get 21 Savage, 21.
Texas used to be part of Mexico. Ah.
Oh, dude. See, this is why I need to go to history class. That was the class I was in when
I had
push
you. Push the class, push it.
Yeah, no class. No, thank you. I got to do some work on it this weekend, though. The funny thing was, though, I think I told this to you guys. When I was in like my high frequency trading class, the first 5 minutes, the guy was like, all right, we're going to be learning about dark pools and market makers. And I was like, oh, baby.
I'm sure Reddit's going to have a freaking a field day with that one. Tell us everything. Report back on a daily basis what they're teaching kids in school.
Well, we can do that. I mean, I can tell you, they're going to be like, no, nothing bad. And it's going to be like, oh, really, bro?
Oh, yeah. BBIG is taking a bit of a hit right now.
Yeah, everything's selling off. Oh, SPY just got a nice red candle. There is like 3 trillion of options expiring like in 9 minutes.
Oh. When I dip, you dip, we dip. Put your hands up on my hip.
Ooh, what do we got for news? Market on close imbalance, 1.2 billion to the sell side.
Listen, when I say crash, you say crash. Market.
No.
This is, I mean, it's funny, but it's like kind of like, yeah, we could be seeing the beginning of the end.
We haven't touched this on the daily, the 200 moving average in all of 2021. The last time we touched it was like way the hell back here in June of 2020, March. This nonsense right here, we bounced above it. And then 2018 is like Fed nonsense and it comes down through. So we got to watch out for that. And it's down below it right now. So we come in this zone a little bit and then we'd be all right and we could bounce back up. But I don't know. Oh, Noel, thanks for the super, buddy.
In regards to the 200-day MA, I love creating long-term positions from anything around the 200-day MA. I don't like seeing SPY in around the 200-day MA.
Yeah, I don't like that either.
I like seeing like NVIDIA fall to 200-day MA, Tesla fall, but like without SPY coming that low. This is just like, all right, people, what are we really doing here?
CFV. What? It's not CFVI, but CFV just halted.
What is that? Rumble?
No, CFVI is Rumble, but CFV halted. So it's the same company, but halted. Did you hear Review Dork give you mad love shout out? Oh ho ho! Where? Where's my boy? Where's my second dad? Where is he? All right. We should have gotten Gabe on here for a little bit.
18 hours ago. Not on Twitter. Maybe on YouTube.
Yeah, maybe on YouTube. What am I majoring in? The most useless thing ever. Finance. I love
talks like about that. Finance.
Amy's getting hit right now. Oh boy. They're hitting her.
21, my friend. 21. Just believe.
21.
Just believe.
I'm not gonna say anything about it. Not gonna say anything about it. Everybody was getting mad at me.
For fudding?
Not for fudding. They're just like, why don't you? I'm like, it's just impossible. Like you can't do it. Like it's impossible to do.
Hey man, it is what it is.
That's true.
I told people like, look, the percentage of the swing that would be needed to happen because the numbers are low, it makes it seem like it's a high number, but like a 25% swing. We hit 16 today.
Yeah, we were running all over the place. Oh, you know what I saw that kind of reminded me of like this situation we had today? I was talking about this earlier. There's like a scene from one of the Rocky movies where it's like Creed's just like, what is wrong with you? And Rocky's just like, tomorrow. And Paul's like, there is no tomorrow. That's kind of like how I've been feeling all week. It's just like everybody's trying to like wait. It's like, no, do it at this time. And it's like, there is no tomorrow. Like, we need that slow backdrop of buying volume, because we'll just see these shark fin candles where, like, if the massive buying pressure comes in and we don't see it sustained, it'll just come right back down. So it's like everybody's trying to think like, oh, we'll just do it here. But you can't even get it up to a high enough price where it's like gonna really affect stuff. So I was like, I don't know. That was a tough one.
So hypothetical situation. Let's say 3 months from now, let's say March or April, if there's a specific date and time in which people were to purchase a lot of call contracts just out of the money, and over time, week by week, they were to slowly accumulate more and more contracts, dollar by dollar, further and further out of the money, that would create a solid gamma ramp, especially if we're by fundamental value. As of right now, there is nothing in sight. So when people stop taking those
for the
145s,
option chain, there's nothing, like, we're
for the
missing the
option chains.
bottom rung of the pyramid.
Right, because I'm looking at now, like if there was something like, I don't know, some sort of gamma squeeze in around the fourth quarter earnings, whenever that's announced, whatever week that's going to be, that would be crazy. But let's just talk about this week instead. Like, oh,
Yeah, I mean, I might make a video about this weekend, just kind of breaking down like what happened, how the change just messed up, and like what we would need to see going forward. Like, it's not like financial advice. Like, that's why I put out the tweet yesterday about the $17 strike. You throw $160 at that contract yesterday or a couple days ago, it's still in the money right now. There's still value to it. You can still exercise it, but you would have forced $1,300 of buying volume into the stock based on that purchase. The closing price that day was like $18.86. It was a $160 contract that expires this week. Yeah, it's risky, but it's like you need both of them. You can have like the 145s, the 60s, the 40s, they're all important, but they don't need to happen now. Like, that money that was spent on there could have just as easily, well, it's kind of hard because the 40s were kind of at the money, like when we were kind of looking, like we were above that level. So a lot of people were holding those contracts, but like now it's like all the volume was like 145, 145, 145. And we're just not like, we needed it like in the money and at the money. And it's just like, well, we can say what affects the stock, but at the end of the day, it's like people are going to do whatever they want with their money. We're not here to tell them what to do. It's just like, these are the effects of like how the mechanics of a squeeze would work and what we need to see on the stock in order to see that happen.
So put it this way, if there's 4,000 people watching, right? If hypothetically speaking, if 4,000 people bought $100 worth of just at the money call options today for AMC at $17 when they were like $25 each, and we dropped down to 16, that would have been 1.5 million shares that would have had to been purchased once we ran into the money. You know what I mean? So just like people's like, oh, people are speculating about all these things that could have been done. It's just like, it's always in our hands if people understand how it works, I guess. But it's difficult because I was like,
you can't say it's hard to. You can't just be like, oh, this is the one you should buy, because like we can't say that.
Yeah. Interesting. Very interesting.
And so the other thing is, like, the silver lining, the theory that I have about this week is that since it's a giant options expiration week, and remember the giant runs on GME and AMC happened after the big options expiration week last year. So what they could be doing, this is very possible, that they are trying to put on all these short-term manipulative shorts to just push the shit out of it down. So they're not going to be faced with this gamma squeeze this week. But if they're going to unwind those short-term shorts and cover them because they don't actually want to short it at these prices right here, then they would start to cover those shorts that they've now added, and then we would see the price start to come back. But again, there's always going to be a certain amount of gamma potential on the chain. It's just like next week's probably not going to be like gamma crazy. And then so February is a monthly, that'll be good. And then you get March right before earnings, or right. So the contracts are going to be after earnings. So you can see a decent move.
That's it. Do you have a jacket close by?
I got one, like a suit jacket.
No, just like a spring jacket. Any jacket, really.
I got this one right here that I gave myself a massive cramp with.
They said that it's getting a little chilly in here, so I usually put on a little jacket when it gets a little chilly. Oh
boy, we're getting chilly.
Yeah, it just gets a little chilly. You just want to get warm. Make sure you don't get too cold. If it gets a little chilly, you have to make sure you bundle up and stay warm.
Yeah. Oh man, Don't be frustrated. They dumped enough shares to bring it down to 10, but we fought them off and held 18. The point of buying today is to buy cheap. Jared, fair. Very fair.
Let's see here. Where are we at? At one point in time, if the estimate was accurate, then we were seeing all-time high shorts in market for AMC.
Like shares shorted?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was crazy.
Not
GMEs is
by
getting
percentile
wild,
basis.
too.
Oh, did it change?
GMEs is in the 19s for estimated like percentage.
Really?
Yeah, it's crazy.
So the utilization is kind of pissing me off. That's the only thing that's really frustrating me at this point in time.
It's the institutions not loaning out the
I
shares.
know.
They're screwing us over with that.
Yeah.
They either gotta recall everybody or they have to stop putting those shares out on loan or saying that they'll loan them out.
Well, I think it's gonna get to the point where it gets low enough where they're like, all right, cool.
Ding, ding, ding.
Give me back those bonds. That was the most anticlimactic.
So this is a good example. CFV, didn't this halt into close and then just stopped and then down? No halts in after hours. So that's what would have happened with AMC if it ran. They would just halt.
No.
Yep. They would have just halted it. So
No,
CFV, when this halts like right around here.
CFV did halt?
CFV did halt, but I don't think it ever came back on.
Wow, that sucks.
So they would have just halted it into close. Yeah. How much is it? 1797 close. And back at it again next week, folks.
What are you gonna try to do next? So you know what? I think you should really take some time to think about creating a Discord. Just think about this weekend.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Let's see here. Hold on a second. MOAS after hours. All right.
They can start it if they wanted to. Peloton closes 12% higher. Biggest gain since November 16th.
Get out of yo. That was some sketchy ass stuff.
The puts coming in right before.
Take this in. Peloton.
Yeah.
$500 million worth of shares sold from insiders in between $80 and over $100. They drop back down to what, 25, 30 off of an information leak in which they could have bought their shares back up and then they pop back up for the highest gain since. There is something that is extremely wrong with that whole situation.
Yeah. And then I think the CEO is coming out today and was like, it's not true. Some of that nonsense. I was saying all day is like Pelotons are kind of nonsense in my mind because it's just a bike with an iPad.
That's it. Oh, that's it. That's it. But like, mind you, why didn't you say that yesterday when your stock was halted?
Why didn't I say it?
No, not you. Why didn't the CEO say that yesterday? Because you guys are too busy buying shares.
They have to report that though. If that comes out that they bought shares, I think they're kind of screwed anyway. Like Peloton, I think, remember their earnings that came out? And
no, think about it. Remember DocuSign after they dropped, their CEO bought shares, and I was just like, that's bullish.
Yeah, we got screwed on.
No one had any issues.
Oh, Keenan's in here. If I was home, I'd definitely jump on the live. Oh, buddy.
That's your oven mitts, baby.
Keenan, next week, buddy. I'll spam you every single link I have. Pop on, bud. Oh, it's getting hot in the kitchen.
All right, now I gotta take the jacket off because now it's getting hot. It was getting chilly.
It is getting hot. I'm gonna give myself another cramp. That was rough. I was sitting over here. Oh, it's definitely gonna happen again. I can feel it.
Let's get it toasty.
No cramp this time. All right. Look at the boom boom candle on Prague.
On Prague. PROOPG.
Whew.
Let's take a look. Ooh. Yeah. That's nice. That's very nice. Nice little 3.2.3%. 3.23%. Almost 4. Did they drop news after hours or something? What's going on here?
Prague?
Nah.
Are they up in the after hours?
Yeah, like 3% already. That's quick. But I don't know if it's like one of those quick just blinks or
yeah, it's down 6 in the day.
Yeah, it just gained half back really quickly. So I'm wondering if that's fake or not.
Huh. I don't think so.
There's probably a huge buy that came in that just missed it. Interesting. All right, buddy. I'm about to be out of here.
You're out. I think I'm gonna wrap it up today too. Whew, that was a wild day.
It was. I mean, hey, all you can do is all you can do.
That's true.
All you can do is all you can do.
I think my dip buy is still in the green, so that's a win.
There you
Below
go.
the average.
Did I get a dip by what time?
I think mine was right.
1:30, around 17:40, 17:50. So yeah, I got it in the green.
Yeah,
Okay.
I was around here. What time is this? No, I think it was here, somewhere in here. This nonsense.
Around, okay, same price. Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Hey,
Y'all
man,
are
look, I said
at 2.0.
all
That's not
all
very
I can
nice.
do is just
619.
lower my cost average now.
My average fell a decent amount on that purchase too. Jorge was giving me problems. He was like, "So your average is 27, but you're not gonna buy the dip now?" I was like, "Jorge, I don't have money in my account." I was like, "Wait a second, it's technically instant deposit. I could do that." And then it was like, "Okay, I'll just do it."
Is that Jorge Bados?
Yeah,
Yeah, he'll tell it to you straight.
he was yelling at me. He was like, "Why aren't you buying the dip now?" I was like, "Well, okay, that's fair." I was
He
like,
makes
well,
money off.
that is fair. I was like,
Hey,
"I'm kind
he
of
makes money
distracted
off
right now."
spy calls.
What?
That guy plays spy calls like nobody I know.
Yeah, Jorge gets going.
He gets the spy calls, babe. Like I'm like, holy shoot. Holy shoot.
BBIG's going up. BBIG also tanked in the close, I think, Julian.
BBIG is not really doing anything right now. Maybe I'm missing something, is it?
Nah, it's 320 right now.
Yeah, it just fell into after hours, no? Oh, it came back to support, I guess. I guess.
Do I have another line on here? I think I got something else on this. A little down below. I think I drew one. No, I didn't. But it's
Yeah, I got 320 and 310.
I would have 320 on this. I would probably have the bottom of the box around 310 because of this thing right here.
Yeah. Also, so what you can do instead of having boxes is put 2 lines up instead.
Oh, that would be so much better because like I can't like I mess it up and I'm like, oh shoot, it's gone.
Yeah. I know what you mean. And if you just have them like a certain number, like 10, 20 cents apart, roughly, then you usually know if one's moved, then you can just put the other one 10, 20 cents off of whatever that one is.
Right.
Whew. Is Jimmy the only stock that closed green today? Maybe. Not in the market, but
TLT was green.
I'm probably gonna play TLT play next week.
Next week, I think you should. I think I'm gonna do a TLT play next week too, just in case. I'll do a strangle on it because you never know. Honestly, it should. A lot of the times, it should be moving one direction and it goes in the other, and then like reverts later. It's a weird thing to play. But like over long periods of time, it'll trend in the right direction that you want it to go. But when do we get STV tube socks? Oh, I gotta work on the merch this weekend. I still haven't done that.
Go watch the Meet Kevin video. Oh yeah, they've been saying watch that Meet Kevin
I heard.
video.
Yeah, I heard somebody was talking about that. All right, guys. I think this is gonna wrap up the stream. Also, everybody, TMI. You make sure you guys go subscribe to TMI over here. And on the way out, make sure you guys drop some likes on the stream if you guys don't mind. That was a wild
Drop it
day.
like it's hot.
The
Drop
wildest day that we have had. Broke a stream record. I think we had well over 4,100, maybe something like that. That was crazy, guys. Thank you guys so much for the support. And Lee, if you're still in here, man, like, dude, you didn't have to do that, but thank you so much, dude. Man, this is crazy. All right, guys. Hope everyone has a good weekend. Let's get after it next week. Peace.
Deuces.